Hello. Right. Good morning, everybody. Good evening, everybody. How are you? Come on, speak out, yeah. Say it loudly. Good. So, in the last session, we have completed 3 parts, right? Okay, today we are going to the continuation of it. Okay. So, to go with the continuation of it, since with this part we will complete, right? Since with this part we will complete number system basics. Okay. So, I'll give you the basic of what we say reminders also. Okay, what I will do is the basics of reminders. Okay, right, good. In reminders, the fundamental concept that we have to learn is very simple. Observe. So, suppose I have given 513, when you divide with 8, what the remainder is? Suppose this is a simple question he is asking. Okay, then everybody can answer this question, right? What will you do? So, 6s are 48. Okay, 33 means 8 4s are 32. Remainder is how much? 1. Okay, everybody knows this, right? Okay, good. So, before going to the next level of it, we have to know one concept, that is, suppose I have given 2 3 7 1. When you divide with the 10, what the remainder is? Okay, you tell me what the remainder is. 2 3 7 1. When you divide with the 10, what's the remainder? What is the remainder, right or wrong? Okay. So, suppose 543, when you divide with the 10, what the remainder is? 3, right? So, nothing but the units place. Nothing but the units place. Is it right or wrong? Okay, now you have to understand one concept, that units place is nothing but the remainder when you divide with 100. Sorry, when you divide with 10. What is units place? The remainder when you divide with 10. Is it clear? Good. Keep it aside. Now come to the next point. So, from this, we have to discuss one more point after some time. But let's go to the next one. Suppose he has given a calculation that 23 plus 31, when you divide with 5, what the remainder is. Suppose this is what the question is. Okay. Then 2 ways we can do. Number one is add both. So 23, 31 means it will be 54, right? Okay. So 54 by 5 means the remainder is how much? 5 tens are 50, remainder is 4. This is one way. The other way that we can do is, so 23 divide with 5. 5 fours are 20, remainder is 3. Okay, 31 divide with 5 and take the remainder. 5 6 are 30, remainder is 1. 3 plus 1 is how much? In between the sign is plus now. I'm going with plus. So answer is 4. You got the same answer or not? This is the beauty of reminders. Okay. Right, good. Suppose if I have given 56 into 42 plus 41 plus or 41 into 63, when you divide with 11, what the remainder is? This is what the question he is asking. Okay. Then what I can do is simply go with individual reminders. Okay, divide this one with 11. Divide this one with 11. Okay, same to same divide with 11. Same to same divide with 11. Okay. Then what happens here? 11 5s are 55, remainder is 1 into 11 3s are 33, remainder is 9 plus 11 3s are 33, remainder is 8 into 11 5s are 55, remainder is 8. Is it right or wrong? Okay, then what happens here? 1 into 9 means 9 plus 8 into 8 means 64. 64 plus 9 means how much it is here? 73. But my question for you is, already I said that a number, when you divide with x, the reminders are from 0 to x minus 1. Yes or no? Already I have discussed with you, right or wrong? Okay, good. By that concept, I am dividing with 11 means the reminders are from 0 to 10 only. But what is the reminder that you got? 73. That means more than that. Okay, if you get this case, again divide the 73 with the same number called 11. Okay, you got more than 10, right? So do the same thing. Again divide with 11. 11 6 are 66. 11 6 are 66. 66 means what is the remainder? 7. So answer is 7. Got it? This is the first phase we have to learn it. Anyhow, if it is clear means I'll go to the next level of it. I'll go to the next level. Am I clear? Good, right. Now, the next question that he is asking is, suppose he gave 53 minus 1353 minus 68 when you divide with 13, what the remainder is. Okay. So now I'm explaining you in the conventional manner. Okay. So subtract these two. So 1353. Okay, I'm subtracting 68. 13 minus 8 is 5. 14 minus 6 is 8. 2, 1. 1285 is the answer, right? 1285, now you have to divide with 13, right? Okay, 13 9s are 117, means 95. 13 7s are 91. What's the remainder you got? 4. Do you got the answer? Conventional, is it clear for you? Okay, good. Now I'm going with the other procedure called divide this one with 13 and divide this one with 13. Okay. So if I divide with 13, 13 ones are 13, 5 is not divisible, means 0. 53 means 13 fours are 52. What's the remainder you got? 1. What's the remainder you got? 1. Go with it. 13 fives are 65. What's the remainder? 3. In between the sign is minus. Okay. 1 minus 3. Yeah. Check the calculation one more time. 13 minus 8 is 5. 14 minus 6 is 8. 12. 13 9s are 117. Here it is wrong. 1285 by 13 if I do. 13 9s are 117. 117 if you subtract from 128, it will be 11. Right or wrong? So again you will get 115. 115 means 13 8s are 104. So the remainder is how much? 11 is the remainder, not 4. What's the remainder? 11 is the remainder. Okay. Now come to the question. What you got? 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means how much it is? Minus 2. Right. Observe a point. I said that when you divide a number with 20, the reminders are from 0 to 19. Yes or no? When you divide any number with 15, the reminders are from 0 to, come on, speak out. 0 to 14. Okay. Right, good. Now, so always 0 to some positive number. Yes or no? But you got a positive number or negative number? So how do we convert the negative number to positive number? Very simple. Okay, if you want to convert, simply, right, good. Simply add the divisor. What do you have to add? The divisor. Okay, divisor means 13. Minus 2 plus 13 is how much? You got the answer. You got the answer. Okay, am I clear? Good. Now coming to the next one. So when I am explaining about the concept of units places, observe a small point. So I have given, suppose 53 minus 27, what is the units place I asked, right? So if you go with individual, it will be 3 minus 7. I said two ways. Number one, since you are unable to subtract from 3, take one borrow, it will become 13. Yes or no? So 13 minus 7 means answer is 6. This is one way. Already I said. The other way is you got 3 minus 7 means it is how much? Minus 4. If you want to convert it into positive, I said add 10. Yes or no? How much you got? 6. That time I said that why I am adding 10, I will explain you in the reminders concept. Because units place is nothing but the remainder when you divide with 10. Yes or no? You're dividing with 10 means the divisor is 10. So now tell me, if you got negative remainder, what you have to add? The divisor. That's why I added 10 here. That's why I added 10 here. Do you understand why I have added 10? Okay, because the divisor is 10 in that case. Okay, good. Now, can I go to the next application of it? Can I? Okay, good. So far, I have gone with a simple examples. Simple examples. But go with a bit complex examples, okay? Right. So phase 1 of complexity. Suppose he said 37 power 5683. When you divide with 6, what the remainder is? Earlier 37 into something, right or wrong? Only 2 numbers, 3 numbers only. Now, to 37 power 5683. Now tell me, actually I have to do 37 into 37 into 37 into how many times I have to write? 5683 times. I have to go with individual reminders. Is it possible or impossible? Impossible. Okay, what I can do is, the rule is very simple. Okay, in the regular classes, I will explain you why I am going like that. But in this case, I am directly giving you what I have to do. What the base here? What's the divisor? 37 by 6. What is the remainder? 1. What is the remainder you got? 1. What is the power here? 5683. So, the remainder is 1 power 5683. This number, power, that number. 1 power anything is equal to? So, what's the answer is? 1. That's it. But the answer is 1. Is it clear? Okay, this is the way that we have to solve it. Shall we do one more example? Okay. So, what I will do is, I'll increase the concept step by step. Because at a time, if I go to the hard level, okay, you will get suffocated, right or wrong? That's already did is summer, you're already getting suffocated, right? That's why I'm going step by step, okay? But suppose the question he is asking is 36 power 234876. Suppose you dividing with 7, what the remainder he is asking. Okay. First, what we have to do is take the base 36, divide with 7. 36 by 7 means the remainder is 1. The remainder is 1. I said 1 power this entire. So 234876. 1 power anything is equal to. So what's the remainder you got? 1. I have given 2 examples such that you will get only 1. Yes or no? Right. Shall we go to the next example? Right. Suppose the number he gave is 54 power 7368. When you divide with 11, what the remainder is? What's the remainder is? Okay, suppose I am going 54 by 11. Okay, 11 4s are 44, right? What's the remainder you got? 10. Okay, 10 power 7368. 10 power 7368. Okay, this will be less than 11 or more than 11? More than 11. But our intention is, it is 11 you are dividing means the remainder should be less than 11. But this is not. But this is not. Then what should I do? Okay, so the problem stops here. Of course, we have some other procedure that we will see after some time. That is the reason what I will do is, instead of going like this, what I will do is 54 by 11. Okay, 11 5s are 55, right? How much it is less? So can I take that the remainder is minus 1? Because it is less by 1. Right or wrong? Okay, minus 1. Now tell me here, if it is minus 1 power, what I have to do? 736. What is the remainder that you get? That should be taken to the power of the given one, right or wrong? That is 7368. Okay, so minus 1 power 7368. Here, negative number power even number means you will get negative number or positive number. Positive number means definitely 1 only. 1 power anything is equal to 1. Okay, what's the answer finally? That is the answer. Okay, right, good. So, do you understand the importance of negative remainder? Do you? Yes. Okay, good. Now, suppose another example with negative remainder I am explaining you. Okay, right. He gave 71 power 473. When I divide with 8, what is the remainder he is asking? Okay. First, what I have to do? 71 by 8. 71 by 8. Yeah, 8 9s are 72, right? It is less by how much? 1. It is less by 1. Means now tell me the remainder will be 1 or minus 1? Minus 1. Now what should I do? Minus 1 whole power 473. So negative number power odd number means you will get a positive number or negative number only? Negative number. So minus I am writing. Coming to numeral value, 1 power 473 means 1 only. Yes or no? What you got as a remainder? Minus 1 will be the final answer or will not be the final answer? Will not be the final answer. Then what should I do? I have to add the divisor. That is 8. So what's the answer? 7 is the answer. Do you understand that? Okay. If you understand all this, you can find one thing in all the 4 examples, common property, that is, the remainders are either 1 or minus 1. Yes or no? Sir, is there any case that you are getting a 1 other than 1 and minus 1? Shall we take one example? Okay, good. So let's go for it. Here we have 2 phases actually. Okay. First, I am going with phase 1. Phase 1 means a bit easy. Here, this one you have to focus a lot. Okay. Good. Suppose he gave 100 power 729. When you divide with 7, what the remainder? He is asking. Okay. Please do not write anything. Please do not write anything. Stop it and focus on the board. Okay. Good. What's the first step here? 100 by 7. What the remainder here? 7 1s are 7. 30. 30 means 7 4s are 28. What is the remainder? 2. Superb. Now, the remainder means 2 power 729. Right or wrong? Yes or no? You're dividing with 7 means the remainders are from 0 to 6. 0 to 6 only. But is it 6 or more than 6? Means definitely we have to further simplify it. Yes or no? But 2 problems, sir. Sir, 2 power, actually, if I have 100 power 729, you divide with 7. Base by 7 you did. Suppose here also 2 by 7 if you do, you will get 2 only. Yes or no? Already I said that if the dividend is smaller than the divisor, dividend itself acts as a remainder. Yes or no? Okay, when you divide 2 with 7, 2 only you will get. Means further it will not be simplified. Yes or no? That is one problem. Second problem, sir, 2 power 729, I am unable to calculate the value. Suppose if it is, sir, at least 2 power 7, I will try, sir. I will write 7 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into and so on. 2 2s are, 4 2s are, 16, 32, 64, 128. The game is over. Right or wrong? But that facility is also not there for us right now. Okay. Then what should I do is, okay. So now listen carefully. This is the most important step that we have to focus. Whenever you find a deadlock like this, 2 power 1, what is the base here? 2. So 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. Like that you rise it. Okay. And every time divide with the same divisor, that is 7. Divide by 7. Remainder is how much? 2. 2 square is how much? 4. Divide with 7. Okay. Remainder is 4. 2 cube is, our intention is, always remember, okay, getting a remainder of 1 or minus 1. What's our target? Getting a remainder of 1 or minus 1. Okay. So, suppose, sir, I am not getting 1 or minus 1. Yeah, yes, we can, but wait for a while. I'll explain you clearly. Okay, good. So then what I will do is, our intention is getting 1 or minus 1. Sir, suppose I will go to some extent, sir. Since it is 2, even 2 power 10 is not a big deal. 1024. Sir, no? Suppose if it is 5 or if it is 7. 7 power 7 is how much? What are you talking, sir? We don't know 7 cube. How can you ask 7 power 7? Yes or no? So that doesn't work. Then what should we do is, so whatever is the earlier remainder that you got, this time the remainder should be at least less than that. At least less than that. Okay, means suppose here we got 5 as a remainder. Assume. What's the remainder that we got? 5. The coming remainder should be 1 or minus 1 is our ultimate target. If you achieve it, superb. Else, at least less than 5 means 2 or minus 2. 3 or minus 3. 4 or minus 4. At least up to that you have to try. Or else at least when it will repeat up to that you have to wait. Okay. Good. Now what I'm doing is, okay, 2 cube is how much? 8. I'm dividing with 7. What's the remainder you got? Hey, 1. I know. My target is reached, right or wrong? Okay, stop here. My target is getting 1 or minus 1, right or wrong? Already my target is reached. Okay, good. Then what you have to do is, so my intention is taking this to 2 cube. Yes or no? 2 cube power something. If I write like this, the problem will be easy for you, right? Okay, so can I write like this? A power m whole power n, a power m into n. Automatically 3 cancels, you'll get the same. Okay, 2 cube means how much here? 8. 729 by 3, cancel. 3 2s, 3 4s, 3 3s. Right? Now, this is more than 6, so divide with 7. Okay, then what will you do? 8 by 7. What's the remainder you got? 1. What's the remainder? 1. Okay, now tell me 1 power 243. Yeah, 1 power 243 means 1. So, what's the final answer? 1. Am I clear for you? Okay, when compared to the previous one, some steps were added. Okay, you should clearly observe each and every step. That's why I said don't write anything. Okay, right. Here also, do you have any doubt? If you don't have a doubt, I have a doubt. Sir, what's the number I gave in the power? 729. I'm dividing with 3. Luckily, it is divisible. If it is not divisible, you should get the doubt now. You should ask me now. Right, good. So, I will explain you. Listen carefully. Suppose the same example I'm taking 100 power. What the number I gave? 729. It is divisible by 3. Okay. I am taking the next number 730. Now tell me, is it divisible by 3 or not? Not divisible. Okay. Now the same question I'm asking. Divide with 7. What's the remainder he is asking? Shall we solve it? If you can solve it, any problem of reminders, you can solve it. Any problem of reminder, you can solve it. Okay. Now 100 by 7 I will do. Remainder is 2 already we did. Means we will say 2 or 2 power 730. Come on, speak out. Come on, speak out. 2 power 730. Okay, now what should I do? 2 power 1. Getting 1 or minus 1. Okay, try it. 2 power 1 is 2. Okay, divide by 7. Remainder is 2 only. 2 square is 4. Divide with 7. The remainder will be 4 only. 2 cube is 8. Divide with 7. The remainder is 1. Yes, I achieved it. So, lock it. Now, what I have to do is, this one I have to write as 2 cube power. Right or wrong? But sir, 730 is not a multiple of 3. What should I do? You do one thing. 730 by 3 you do separately. Okay? Right? 3 2s, 3 4s, 3 3s. What's the remainder you got? 1. Yes or no? Okay, that means that it is more than 3 multiplied by 1. It is more than 3 multiplied by how much? 1. It's more than 3 multiplied by 1. That's why what I will write is, okay, first step I'll do like this, since it is the first time. 2 power 729 into 2 I will write. Can I? Okay. 2 power 729 means as usual 2 cube whole power 729 by 3. Into 2 I will keep asterisk. Okay, this will be how much here? 8 power 243 into 2. Go with the division as usual. So divide with 7. Divide with 7. So what you will get? 1 power 243. Divide with 7. What's the remainder you will get? 1 power anything is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to how much? 2. What's the final remainder? This is the model of reminders. This is the concept behind the reminders. Okay. Any doubt? If you feel comfortable means I'll stop it and I will give you the handout. Or you can copy and we can go with the handout. If you feel, sir, one more example we need means I'll explain you one more example. Enough? Enough. Good. You want to copy this one or previous one or both? This one. Okay. Copy it fast. Until we know the concept, we feel that everything is a difficult problem. Okay, once you feel you understand the concept, you feel that this is a simple one. Yeah. Already handout was posted in Zoom link, right? My dear honest students, you are again asking the same now. Check once. Yeah, is it completed? Shall we start the handout? Are you ready?
No, sir.
Come on fast. I'm giving you as usual. Come on fast. Do it all. Give me one handout. Yeah, we have total 12 questions. 12 into 1.5 means 18 minutes. Okay, it's perfectly ideal for it. Don't go through the question paper until everybody got the paper. Okay, everybody got the paper? Come on, now I will start the timer. Right now it is 5:41 and you should complete by 18 minutes, 5:59. Okay, come on, start. Paper 4 you got? Yeah. Back. Send it back. Send it forward. my dear preparation online student. So it's very difficult to explain right now. Okay. So when at the time of problem, I will explain you. Okay, I can help you. To try the handout without this basics also, you can do something. Okay, try it. Last 5 minutes. Complete fast. Right, all of you stop it. Come on, stop it. That completed? Yeah, come on, tell me how many of you completed all the 12 questions? All the 12, nobody. Okay, 10. 1, 2 members. 3, 4 members. Nice. Okay, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Good. I think this is not tough. At the same time, this is not very easy, all the questions. Okay, mixed one, right? Good. Let's go for the explanation of it. Good. So basic operations on numbers part 5 out of 5 by myself, Amaranadh Eemani. Let's see the first question that was given. If you have two straight sticks of length 7.5 feet and 3.25 feet, what is the minimum length can you measure? What is the minimum length can you measure? Okay, what's the answer you got? Tell me. How much? What is the answer that you have given? Say loudly. 3.25. Okay. Any other? What's that? 1. Okay. Any other? What's the answer you give? 0.05. Good. So first of all, you should understand the question. Okay. Right, good. I have two sticks. The length of the first stick is 7.5 meters. Meters or centimeters? Meters. Okay. Sorry, 7.5 feet. Second one is 3.25 feet. These two I'll give you. Okay. I'll give the third stick. You have to measure the length of this one by using these two. By using these two. What is the length of the first one here? 7.5. Second one is, so means these two will be like this. Yes or no? This is 7.5. Forget about it. This is 3.5. Right or wrong? The system looks like this. Is it correct? 7.5, 3.25. Suppose if I have given another one, difference between 7.5 and 3.25, I can measure 5, 3, and 4. Right or wrong? Means this is 4.35, right? Suppose its length is 4.35, I can measure. I can measure its length, yes or no? So what you have to understand is, it is not a question from LCM and HCF. This is a question that by using these two sticks, you have to measure the height of the some other stick. Some other stick. Got my point? Okay. What is the, what he is asking? Minimum length you can measure. Do you understand the question now at least? Say loudly. Okay, good. Now what I can do is, let's suppose this is the first stick. Okay, the length of the second stick is, this is the one. How much it is? 3.25. Okay, 3.25 again 3.25, or else give me one cap because it's very small in size. Give me a cap. Yeah. Good. Not good. Okay. Okay, this is 3.25. This is how much? 7.5. So suppose if I keep like this, 3.25 plus 3.25. How much I can measure? 6.5. Its length is how much? 7.5. Means this gap is how much? How much? 1. Means I can measure 1 feet. I can measure 1 feet. Do you understand how I have to verify? Take it. Okay. So definitely this I can measure. But he is asking about the least one. He is asking about the least one. Okay, what I am thinking is, sir, 7.5, sir. Okay, this one, suppose I'll take like this. I'll take like this. Okay, so this is 7.5. I will measure again. It will become 7.5 again. So it will be 15. Yes or no? If I measure again, it will become how much? 22.5. Yes or no? If I measure again, okay, something I'll get 30. Right or wrong? Like that I can measure by using first stick. By using the first stick. Okay. So that means if you observe the numbers, you will get either 0.5 or 0.0. Forget about the numerals before that. The decimals only I'm speaking. You will get either 0.5 or 0.0, something, right or wrong? Okay, good. Coming to the next stick, 3.25. Okay, if I want to measure, okay, it is 0. Okay, 3.25. 2 times if I measure, it will be 6.5. 3 times means it will be 9.75. Next one, it will be, so now I have to add 3 again now. So it will become how much? 13. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Then I will go with again 16.25 and so on. Right or wrong? Observe 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 or 0 or again 0.25 again. Means what are the lengths that you can measure? The decimals only. Okay. 0.25 or 0.50, 0.75 and 0.0. Okay. So what I am thinking is, so suppose this is about the first one, this is about the second one. I'm going with the decimals. I'm going with the decimals. Okay, 0.5 and 0.25. You can measure 0.25. All right, at some extent. Okay. So these two together 0. Minimum length 0 means ridiculous, right or wrong? So no need. These two together means again 0.25. These two together means again 0.5. Okay, I can measure 0.5 also. Okay. Suppose if I take these two, 0.25, already written, 0.5, 0.75, he's asking about the least here. No need to go with 0.75, right or wrong? Okay, next one is 0. 0 means ridiculous. What is the least I can measure? 0.25. Okay, now I have to check that is it possible or not? Is it possible or not? But this will not come. That will not come. Our intention is going with the minimum value. Okay, among all, this is the least one. But that is possible or impossible? Impossible. Leave it. Okay, now I got some idea that this can be a possibility. I am not saying that that is a possibility, right or wrong? Okay, I am checking 2 times of it, 3 times of it, 3 times of it, 5 times of it. Like that, I will go with the trial and errors. Okay, right, good. So when I'll get 0.25, if it is 0.5 and the second one is 0.25, ends with, then you might get 0.25, right or wrong? Okay, 7.5, if I double it, I'm not getting 0.25, leave it. 7.5 double is 15. Okay, so 3.25 nearby 15 I have to get, right? Yes or no? Okay, verify. So 3.25, its next multiple is 6.5. Next one is 9.75. Next one is 13. Next one is 16.25. Sir, 16.25 nearby. So you're not getting 0.25. So chhod do. So 2 times of it is not possible. Now go with 3 times of it. 7.5 into 3. How much it is? 22.5. 2 times completed now. Now, near to 22.5, when will it come? We have to verify. Okay. Right. Next one. If you add 3.25, how much it will be? 19.7. Sorry, 19.50, right? 3.25 you have to add now. Okay. Next, if you add 3.25, how much you will get? 22.75. What you got here? 22. So now I can get 0.25. Yes or no? The next list is 0.25. Now I got the clarity that I can measure it. So what's the answer? It is B. Okay, this is a question in Csat 2020. First of all, by seeing the question, in general, we won't understand the question. Yes or no? What we will think is in LCM HCF, we have an application that, okay, what is the maximum possible length, okay, through which we can measure a rod of length 100 meters, another rod of length 120 meters. Then you will go with HCF, right or wrong? By default, the idea that we will get is this is the one, HCF of it. But this is not that question. Do you understand the question? Do you understand how do we think it? Do you understand what is the answer? Good, that's it. Can I go to the next question? Can I? Very good. Yeah, this is a funny question actually, I think. Most of you have completed it, okay? Student cuts a sheet of paper into 3 pieces, okay? So cuts the paper into 3 pieces. Okay, that means suppose this is the paper. Okay, first piece, second piece, third piece, right? Okay, its length is A, its length is B, its length is C. Okay, means total length means A plus B plus C. Okay, first one. Length of the first piece is equal to average of the 3 single digit odd prime numbers. 3 single digit odd numbers. What are the 3 single digit odd numbers we have? 3, 5, 7. Okay, what is the average middle number, right? 5. So what is the length of the first one? 5. Fixed it. Okay, next one. Length of the second piece is equal to that of the first plus 1/3 of the length of the third one. Okay, second one means B, right? Okay, B is equals to first one plus, okay, second base is equal to length of the first one plus 1/3 of the length of the third one. So 1/3 C. This is an equation that we have to further simplify. Okay. The third is as long as the other two pieces. Means C is equals to as long as the other two. Other two means these two. Means can I say 5 plus B? Okay. Can I replace cross multiply? 3B is equals to 15 plus C. Yes or no? I have multiplied with 3 also, right? Okay. C means can I replace with 5 plus B? 5 plus B. Move the B this side, it will be 2B. Is equal to 15 plus 5 is 20. What's the value of B? It is 10. The value of B is 10. Sir, he said that C is equal to how much? 15. Right? Okay, what he is asking? The length of the original sheet of the paper is. Original sheet means, can I add all? How much you will get? 30. What is the answer? D is the answer. 30 units. This is a plain equation. Question in CSAT 2019. Can I go to the next one? Do you understand this? Good. It's a difficult question or a simple one? Simple one. Rakesh and Rajesh together bought 10 balls and 10 rockets. Rakesh spent 1,300 and Rajesh spent 1,500. If each rocket costs 3 times a ball, then what is the price of a rocket? What's the price of a rocket? Okay, what I will observe is, sir, rocket and ball, their costs are, ball is X, then rocket will be 3 times, 3X, right or wrong? Okay, this is the first statement he made. And what is the total amount they spent? 1,300 and 1,500. Means total amount they spent is 2,800. Why they spend this much amount? In buying 10 rockets and 10 balls. 10 rockets and 10 balls. Okay. 10 rockets means each one cost is 3x, right? 10 into 3x. 10 balls means 10 into x, right? Okay. This total is equal to how much is specified? 2,800. Okay. So this is 30x, 10x. 40x is equal to 2,800. Okay. 0, 0. 4 ones, 4 sevens and zeros. Okay. What's the value of each ball? 70. What's the value of each rocket? 210. What is asking? Each rocket. How much it is? 210. C is the answer. Am I clear? Simple equation question. CSAT question 2019. Right. Here, this is a beautiful question. Okay, a vessel full of water weighs 40 kg. If it is 1/3 filled, its weight becomes 20 kg. What is the weight of the empty vessel? Okay, until they have not seen this statement, they say that this question is wrong one. Because full of water weighs 40 kg, 1/3 removed means weight will be 1/3 removed, yes or no? But it became half. It is meaningful or meaningless? People will think like that. But the point you have to notice is, okay, so what is the weight of the empty vessel? Now you will get an idea that, okay, vessel also has some weight. Vessel also has some weight, yes or no? Okay, good. Handout, good. So a vessel with full of water weighs 40 kg. Okay, now how much I removed? It is only 1/3 filled. 1/3 filled means how much removed? 2/3 of the water removed. What's the weight reduced? 20 kgs. Why it is reduced? Some water has gone out now. Its weight is reduced, right or wrong? How much water went out? 2/3. Can I say this is the weight of the 2/3 water? 2/3 of the vessel of water is equal to how much? 20 kgs. 2 ones, 2 tens. Means what is the weight of the full water? Means full vessel of water is how many kgs? 30 kgs. 30 kgs. But a vessel full of water is how much? 40 kgs. Out of 40, this is 30. Means what is the weight of the vessel? What is the weight of the vessel? 10 kgs. Okay, that's what he is asking. Weight of the vessel is how much? 10 kgs. Which option is the answer? A is the answer. Got my point? This is a difficult one or a simple one? Simple one. Logically, we have to think on. That's it. So while you are doing your rough work also, my sincere suggestion for you is, don't do it in a zigzag manner. Okay, suppose if it is your rough sheet, in general, what will you do? You'll keep the handout here. Okay, handout will be here. Yes or no? Okay, in the examination, you do like your way. But since it is the classroom, best option is write one, simplify. 2. Simplify. Like how you copied your notebook, do like that. The advantage of that is, once I explain the procedure, you can cross-check your answer. You can understand that where you have gone the wrong way. Yes or no? Okay, so that it will be clear for you. Okay, let's go for the next beautiful question. Read the following passage and answer the items that follows. Okay, 3 questions he given it, right? Okay. So in a survey regarding a proposed measure to be introduced, 2878 persons took a part, of which 1652 were males. Here, so there is a survey. Okay, on how many members it was done? 2878 members. In that, 1652 are males. Means whatever the remaining, females. Whatever the remaining, females. Okay. So don't ask me that, sir. What about the third gender? Because if you nowadays, no, I'm not joking. I'm serious. Because nowadays, if you apply your examination, will he ask that gender only male, female, or transgender is also appearing now? Means we will always think that third gender also in nowadays. Okay. But in the examination questions, no third gender, only 2 genders, male or female. That's it. Okay. Right. Good. Female means difference, right? 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. And 1. 1, 2, 2, 6. These are males and these are females. Okay, good. Next one. So 1226 persons voted against the proposal. Okay. Means among these 2878, again he is classifying. Okay. Some members supported. Some members opposed, right or wrong? How many members opposed it? 1, 2, 2, 6. Oh, sorry. Those are opposing. 1, 2, 2, 6 opposed. Means the remaining members supported. Okay. Difference is 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 6 and 1. 1, 2, 1, 6, 5, 2 members were supported. One. Sorry. 1, 2, 2, 6 members voted against the proposal. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 6 not supported. Means the remaining are supported, right? Oh, undecided also there, na? Okay, good. Then wait. We'll go with undecided here. Okay. Here, I am not going like a faculty. I'm going like a student. Means I'll read that one. By default, that is the idea I'll get. Okay, what is the idea I got? 16 something, right? Okay, I'll do like this. When I see this statement, automatically I'll change it. Because I don't know what's the blueprint. Good. So next one. 1226 persons voted against the proposal, of which 796 members are males. Okay, again male and female. Okay, 796 are males. Here, total is 1226, means the remaining are females, right? Okay, difference 6 minus 6, 12 minus and 11 minus. So 430 are females. Okay, next one. So 1425 persons voted for the proposal. How many members voted? 1425 persons voted for the proposal. Means voted means supported. Okay. So 1425. Automatically no need to give this one. 196. Okay. Undecided. Yeah. Now tell me here. How many are undecided first? Add these two. 2651. Right or wrong? Okay. So total is how much? 2878. Out of 2878, these members opposed. These members supported. Means the remaining members are undecided. Neutral. Okay. Not of people. Right or wrong? Okay, good. So how many are there? 7, 2, 2. 2 to 7. Okay, undecided are 2 to 7. Now he said that 196 females were undecided. Means undecided are females are 196. Okay, females are 196. Means the remaining are males. Males are 31. Males are 31, right or wrong? Okay. Now what I can say is, sir, I can go with the male and female of supported also, sir. Because suppose observe female and male. How many total female are there? 1226. In this 1226, 196 are here, 430 are here. The remaining are here only, right or wrong? Yes or no? Okay. So 430 plus 196. How much it is here? 596. Okay, total are 1226. If I subtract 596, how much I'll get? 600, 626 and 630. Yes or no? 0, 3 and 6. 630 members. Okay, 630 females supported it. By using the same concept, I can go with the males also. Or else, so total support is 1425. After that 1630 630 are females, means the remaining are males. Okay, what's the difference? 795. 795 are males. Okay. So now what is asking? How many females voted for the proposal? How many females voted? 630. అంటే calculation ఆడ పోయింది మళ్ళీ ఎరగండి. Sorry? So means I have not got calculations wrong, you are saying. 430 plus 196. How much it is? Oh, 626. If it is gone means it is also gone. Wait here. How much I wrote? 596. 30 increased. 30 need to be reduced. Right? 30 need to be reduced means how much it is? 600. If it is 600, it will be 825. Right or wrong? Check the calculation one more time. Got it? Calculation, check one more time. So you're not doing the calculation, right? 626, yeah, 600, 825, right? So 600 members voted the proposal. Right. So how many males were undecided? Undecided males are 31. Okay. Next question. So how many females were against the proposal? Yeah, females against the proposal. Against. How much it is? 430. The answer is C. Yeah, this is CSAT 2011 question. Okay. So moral of the story you can understand is once upon a time you got a paper with 3 questions at a time in a topic like that. Nowadays, are you finding that? Evaporated. Okay. Good. Let's go for the next one. All right. Actually, this is a question from successive percentages you can feel, or else you can feel it as a compound interest. Okay. But since it is a topic, I'm discussing directly. Okay. In a biology class at high school, predicted that a local population of animals will double in size every 12 years. Local population of animals doubles in 12 years. Okay. Good. Next, what he said? The population at the beginning of the year 2021 was estimated to be 50 animals. What's the animals population initially? 50. Okay. Then what we can say? If P represents the population after n years. After n years, okay, what he's saying, then which one of the following equation represents the model of the class for the population? Okay. Here, the population growth and population decay both are successive percentages, alias. Sir, 8th question, sir. What happened? Oh, letter accepted. Okay, good. No problem. Look here. Yeah, what we have to observe is, okay, so the population of the city or the population of animals, everything will be successive percentages. Means we can use a concept of compound interest formula. A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Do you memorize this formula? Yes. Okay. What is meant by A? Principal plus compound interest, nothing but the final population. Final population. Right? Okay. What is P? In compound interest, it is principal. For us, it is the initial population. What is that? Initial population. What is R? Rate of interest. For us, rate of growth. What we have to take is rate of growth per compounding period. There we have to take. Here, rate of growth is, he said that double in every 12 years. Double in every 12 years. That is the important point. Okay, double means 100% is the growth. Yes or no? 100%. Okay. So now tell me, okay, the time period for you is 6 years. Okay, what is N? Number of such periods. Number of such periods. Got it, my dear personals? Okay, every 12 years it will doubles. Means the number of years he gave is N. Means how many times it will increase? Every 12 years we'll take it as one set, right or wrong? Okay, N by 12 times we'll take. How many times it will grow? N by 12 times. Is it clear? Right, now apply this formula. Final population is equals to, okay, initially is 50 into 1 plus R is how much? 100. Double means 100% increase, right or wrong? Okay, 100 by 100 means 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, sorry. 1 plus 1 whole power n by 12. Okay, so 50 into 2 power n by 12 will be the answer. Which option is the answer? D is the answer. Okay, so we can say that this is a trending question because I think recent group 1, group 2 exams also he started these questions. Okay, so this is a trending question. Okay, what's the answer? D. This is a CSAT 2021 question. Am I clear? Am I clear? Right, good. Shall we go for the next question? You can copy. What's the next one? What is the remainder when 91 into 92 and so on 99 is divided by 1261? This is CSAT 2022 question. Okay. Do you understand the question? Right. Already I have discussed about the reminders, right? What he is asking about? What he is asking about? Reminder only. Okay. So what's the question he gave? 91 into 92 into 93 into 94 into and so on up to 99. He want to divide with 1261. Normally what I said, divide this one with 1261, but that is useless. That is useful or useless? Useless. Then go with the combinations. If I think like that, the problem will be very complex. Yes or no? The examiner is not an idiot to ask such questions. Means if he asks like that, that means that there is some other thing that we can understand. Okay? Right, good. Because this is a question given in CSAT 2022. I think in 2018 or 2019, one more time again like this. Okay? That's why we have to think logically. What we can observe is, right, 1261, go with the factorization of it. 1261. Okay? Okay, next prime number is 11. Okay, 11 means these two 7, these two 3, means not divisible. Okay, then we have to go with 13. Okay, try with 13 because 13 we don't have any divisibility rule. 39s are 70. 39s are 117. 117 means 91. 13 sevens. Okay, now observe. 1261 means can I write as 13 into 97? Okay, in this one I have 98, sir. I have 97, sir. Okay, it means these two will get cancelled. Suppose if this is cancelled with any other number, means this entire number is cancelled, yes or no? Cancelled means remainder will be 0, right? Sir, 13 is divisible by 891, sir. These two has a relation, these two has a relation. Means completely it will be cancelled. Completely cancelled means remainder is 0. What's the answer? 0. It's a pure logical question. It's a pure logical question. Can I go to the next question? Good. Yeah, which number among us 2 power 40, 3 power 21, 4 power 18 and 8 power 12 is the smallest? Okay. Yeah, before going to this question, Murli garu, charging, about to shut down. Good. Look here carefully. Okay. So suppose forget about these questions. I'll give you one example of it. This model. Okay. Normal model and this question, how can we solve? We will do separately. Sir, suppose he gave 2 power 20. So 3 power 40, something, 4 power 30. Suppose he is asking which is greatest, which is smallest. He want to arrange them in ascending order, descending order. Okay, like that he has to do. Suppose. Then what we have to do is 20, 40, 30. What is the HCF? 10 is the HCF. Right or wrong? Okay, then I will write it as 2 square power 10, 3 power 4 power 10, 4 cube power 10. Can I write like this? 2 square means how much it is? 4 power 10, 81 power 10, and 4 cube means 64 power 10. So now you can easily decide this is the greatest. This is the least. Means ascending order also the game is over. Descending order is also the game is over. Means this type of what we say indices we'll call it as. We'll solve like this. But the funny thing is, what are the powers? 40, 21, 18, 12. Any common factor? Verify? No. No. Because these three are divisible by 3, it is not. It is not. Okay, these two are divisible by 2, it is not. There is no common factor. Now tell me, can I apply this one or unable to apply this one? Unable to apply this one. Okay, that's the specialty of the civil services exam. Okay, this is a CSAT 2022 question. Okay, in that case, what we have to do is, you want highest one or smallest one? Smallest one. Okay, right. Observe, first of all, sir, these three are very easy, sir, because the bases are interchangeable. Okay, what is this? 2 power 40. Take this one. 4 means can I write as 2 square power 18 means 2 power 36. 8 means 2 cube power 12. So means it is 2 power 36. Sir, I can say that answer is 3 power 21. Why? Because observe a small point logically. Here, when compared to 2 power 40, these two are small. So this will not be the answer. So this is ruled out. This option is ruled out. Okay. These two are equal, right? If these two are equal, right? Suppose if it is the smallest than 3 power 21, answer will be 4 power 18 and 8 power 12. Both will be the shortest. Yes or no? That means that I have to choose both these two at a time. Tick, tick. Two answers are possible or not possible? That means that these two will be the greatest or will not be the greatest. So automatically answer will be, that's it, that is the answer. Okay. Or else further if you want to do mathematically, okay, take these two, suppose, not a problem. Okay, what do you give? 3 power 21 into 4 power 18. 3 is common, right? Okay, I can take it as 3 power 7 whole cube. Okay, and next one is 4 power 6 whole cube, right or wrong? 3 power 7 we can calculate. Okay, so 3 power 7, right? 3 7 times. 3 square is 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9 cube is 729. 729 into 3. 2187. 2187 power 3. 4 power 6. 4 6 times. Okay. 4 into 4 into 4. 64, 64. 64 square is 4096. Okay. Now you can decide which is smallest. This is smallest. So 3 power 21 is smallest. This is mathematically, but by using these three, I can decide answer is 3 power 21 logically. Got my point? Good. Can I go to the next one? Can I go for the next one? Yeah, this is a CSAT 2023 question. Maybe easiest in the paper. Okay. Right, just add all the numbers. 7 plus 9 plus 10 is how much? 26. Again, add the digits. 8. Okay. Right, add the digits. 9 plus 11 plus 30. Some 50. Okay. Add the digits. Add the numbers 11, 17, 21. 49. Okay. 49 sum of digits is how much? 13. So answer is C. I think among all, this is the another easiest question, right? Hope you understand. How many of you did this one? Good. No other. Two members. Good. 3 members. Good. Can I go to the next one? Is it clear? Okay, good. What's the answer? Answer is? Add it. All 11 plus. I have not added it. That one also he gave, na? Then I will do the next one here. 23 plus 4 plus 15. 42. 42 means 6. Okay. Good. Anyhow, let's go for the. Oh, nothing left. Thank you. Very good. I have not explained. Oh. What is the 8th one? A biology class at high school. No. Oh, January 1st, 2021. That was missed. Okay. Okay. I thought this question is covered in the next papers, maybe. Okay, anyhow, I will explain now manually. Okay. No. Actually, in the last session, last question is this is the one. Okay. I said that it will be available in the next one, right? All right, don't worry, I will explain it. So what he said is, from 1st January 2021, the price of the petrol on mth day will be, yeah, what he gave? 80 plus 0.1 m. Where m is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on 100. Observe that 1, 2, 3 and so on 100 only. In a year, how many days will be there? 365 means mth day means 100th day will be there, 50th day will be there, 150th day will also be there, right? But he said that up to 100 only. Means beyond that there will be some other change, right or wrong? Observe that. And thereafter remains constant. Okay. Means after 100 days, whatever is the 100 days price, that will be fixed. No more change. No more change in the price of petrol. Okay, first point. In the year, first day means January 1st. First day will be January 1st. Means you will replace m with 1. Answer will be 80.1 on January 1st. January 2nd will be 80.2. Third 80.3 and so on. Okay. Up to 100 days. Okay. Next. And then it is constant. This leave it. The price of diesel in rupees per liter on nth day of 2021 is, okay, this is about petrol. Okay, diesel, nth day is, what it is? 69 plus 0.15 n. For any value of n. For any value means up to 100 or up to 200 or for the entire year. For the entire, not only entire year, in the next year also it will continue. Suppose 2021, right, it is. 2022, February 10th, if he asks, it will be 365 days or more than that. More than that, suppose that is 400 days. Then you have to write n is equal to 400, you have to simplify. Got it? Okay, good. So what he said, and which date in the year 2021 are the 20th May? Oh, all are in May. C is 19th May. Okay, D is 18th May. Okay, good. So when it will be equal, I have to know, right? Okay. What I can say is, observe that. Sir, you are coming to May, means you have traversed January, February, March, April. Minimum 4 months you have traveled. January has how many days? 31 days. February, 2021 means non-leap year, 28 days. Okay, March, April, and all how much you will get? 120 days. 120 days means the answer will be more than 120 because it is in the month of May. More than 120 days means it reaches to its maximum, right or wrong? It reaches to its maximum. Means can I say m value is 100? Up to 100 days it will change, right? After it will be fixed only, right? Okay, into 100. 0.1 into 100 means 10. 1 point means 1 decimal cancels, no? Okay, 1 into 10 becomes 10. So what is the price of petrol? 90. So both are equal means its price will also be 90. Okay, can I write as 15n by 100 is equals to, move the 16 on this side, it will be 21. It will be 21. Cancel with the 3, 3 5s, 3 7s. Okay, 5 1s, 5 1.4s. Right or wrong? Cross multiply. N is equal to 100 into 1.4 is 140 days. After how many days? 140 days. So if April is completed, how many days completed? 120. You want how many? 140. Means how many days more? 20 days. Means in the month of May you need 20. So what's the answer? 20th May. So it is B. Am I clear? So once you understand this, I'll explain you one more point. So he said that the petrol price is fixed after 100 days. Yes or no? Suppose he has not given that. Like the diesel price, he said that petrol price is also equals to 80 plus 0.1 m. For any value of m. For any value of m. Do you understand my point? Small change. Then to solve the problem, no need to do this entire. The procedure changes. Okay. Here, what is that here? Petrol is 80 plus 0.1 m. Okay, diesel is 69 plus 0.15 m. Means this is 10, this is 15. Right or wrong? Okay, both are forever. Okay, what's the difference between these two initially? If these 11 rupees were covered, if this 11 rupees was covered, the game is over. Yes or no? Okay. In every day, it is 0.10, it is 0.15, means it will cover 0.05 rupees. 1 day 0.05. Okay. If I multiply with 20, means 20 days, it will cover 1 rupee. It will cover how much? 1 rupee. How much I have to cover? 1 rupee or 11 rupees? So 11 into 1 means, sorry, 11 into 20. Okay, how much it is? 220 days, its price will be equal. Okay, 220 days means, okay, January 31, February 28, March 31, April, okay, how much it is? 30. So 120 completed, still 100 days. All right. Okay, May 30 days. Okay, still 70 days. Okay, May, June 31 days, right or no? Oh, May 31, sorry. So 69 days. Okay, June 30 means 39 days. Okay, July 31 days means 8 days. That 8 days will be in the month of August. August 8 both will be same. Got my point, all of you? Okay, so means with small word, the question completely changes. It takes to the next route. Okay, do you understand how do we solve them? Good. Anyhow, if you want, you can copy this. With this, the paper is completed, right? Shall we go to the next paper? Next paper is divisibility rules and LCM HCF. So 14 questions are there. 14 into 1.5. How much it is? 21 minutes. Okay, good. So this paper will be conducted for 21 minutes. Yeah. I don't want to discuss much about it. Simple ones I will discuss with you. What is the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 5, and so on, 6, etc. Okay. Can I erase the board? Can I go to the next one? I think this is not required, right? Can I go to the next? Okay, good. See, our papers will be mixed. Okay. So all the models will also be covered. Okay, basics like that. Okay, it will be a, what I can say is, if you follow this 10 days workshop properly, I'm expecting that in the examination, with these 10 days of classes, you can attempt 35 questions. You can attempt 35 questions minimum. If you attempt 35 questions, automatically you will clear the examination, right? Right or wrong? So that is the reason, don't miss a single session. Number one. Number two is, don't be late to the class also. Best option on time. Okay. So most of the days, I'll be there by sharp 5 o'clock. Okay. Exceptionally 5 minutes grace period, but mostly I will be there by 5 minutes earlier only. Okay. So we will wait for you. If I wait there for you for 10 minutes, 10 minutes of your content is lost. Yes or no? Utilize each and every minute. Okay. Our programs, one more point. We are not scheduling like 10 days means we already fixed how much we have to deliver. And it will be delivered in 10 days. Means it will be perfect schedule. Means suppose if you take our programs of civil services, okay, we have 4 programs. If you observe our outside board, 4 programs will be there. Okay, so that means Varadi, okay, IAS, and then suppose IAS Super 90, okay, Guru Sishya Parampara, or Dhirata, like that 4 programs are there. Okay, as the management, what is the duration? They will fix that on this particular date it will start, at this particular date it will ends. That's it. Okay, that much perfect scheduling will be there for us. Okay, because our schedules are not dynamic. It's very much fixed. The faculty are not from Hyderabad mostly. I think almost I am the only one who is from Hyderabad. All the remaining are from Delhi. Okay, for them, 1 month or 2 months earlier only, flight tickets will be booked to and fro. Means already schedule is fixed. It will be completed in that time only. Suppose if 1 hour is extra needed, definitely, okay, they will plan 1 week ago. And in that 1 week, 1 hour extra, right? So daily 10 minutes, if they take extra, it will be completed, right? But definitely it will be done like that only. Okay, very much framework schedules will be there. All our 4 programs, very successful programs. Okay, especially that if you observe IAS Super 90 batch. So remember that Super 90 batch, we are not taking the admissions that anybody may take. We will conduct a test. If you qualify, then only we will give the admission in it. If you won't qualify, we won't take your hard-earned money. Grabbing the money is not the ultimate motto of it. Because if you observe the founder, Mr. Dr. Vivekananda sir, okay, he is already a civil servant, right or wrong? He came to this sector with two reasons only. Number one is passion towards teaching. Number two is knowing the needs of the students. Knowing the needs of the students to fulfill that. Okay, that is the reason it was started. Okay, that's why we don't want to waste your money, hard-earned money. Okay, your parents' hard-earned money. Okay, so if you qualify the examination, then only we will give the admission for Super 90. Okay, if you won't qualify, we will give the suggestion that you better go for Varadi. Okay, Setu. So that what happens? You will come to that level. Then only if required, you can come to Super 90. Every year, the batches are fixed for mains, for prelims. Okay, clear-cut schedules will be there. For anthro, clear-cut schedules will be there. Okay, so details will be given. Don't worry. Or else at the end or in the next session also, I'll also give the details. Which date it will start? What is the fee amount, etc., etc., etc. Okay. So for you also there is one small concept. So you're already taking free coaching here, right or wrong? You're taking the advantage of reflection IAS. Okay. So if you want to return some gift, nowadays it is a famous word, right? Okay. If you want return gift, send one quality person to reflection IAS. I'm clearly saying that don't send normal anyone to reflection, what we say, Super 90 program. Super 90 program, if you want to refer anyone, okay, he should have some quality. He should qualify the examination. Once he qualified the examination, he took the, what we say, coaching here. We won't give you a single rupee of money. We will give you a voucher. You can buy some books. We can give you a voucher so that you can go to a study hall. Okay, not giving the money. It's not what we say money back policy or what is the cashback. It's not cashback policies. Okay, right. It should also be conventional for you, constructional for you. Okay, good. Anyhow, let's get back to the next concept: divisibility rules. Okay. And divisibility rules means already you knows it very well. I'll give you brief it. Okay. What is the divisibility rule of 2? Last digit should be 0R, 2R, 4R, 6R, 8. Right or wrong? That is the divisibility rule of 2. Sir, actually speaking, that is not the divisibility rule of 2. Divisibility rule of 2 is last digit should be divisible by 2. 2 powers and 5 powers have same divisibility rules. Okay. 2 power 1 means last digit should be divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Okay. 4 means 2 square, right? Since it is 2 square, not 1 digit. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. By 4. Okay, if you want the 8 means 2 cube, right? So power is how much? 3. That means last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay, by this procedure, you can find the divisibility rule of 16, 32, 64, anything you can take. That is the specialty of 2 powers. Okay, the same for 5 powers also. Divisibility rule of 5 means last digit should be divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. Sir, luckily we have only 2, sir, 0 or 5. That's why you can memorize. What is 25? Can I say it is 5 square? Okay. 5 square means power is 2. That means last 2 digits should be divisible by 25. Divisible by 25. Sir, fortunately, we have only 4 such values. We have only how many? 4 such values. Those are 0, 0, 25, 50, 75. That's why it was changed in its form. Suppose if you want 125, it is equal to 5 cube, right? So that means that last 3 digits are divisible by 125. We have only 8 such numbers. 000, 125, 250, 375, 500, 625, 750, 875. Okay, so like that. This is about 2 powers and 5 powers. Is it clear? Okay, single rule for both. Okay, now we have to discuss 1 to 11 here, 2 to 11. 7 is not required. Okay, after that, few more. Okay, now I'll give you the next example. Here, out of 2 to 11, 2 completed, 3 completed. So 3 not completed, right? Go with the 3 divisibility rule. 3 and 9 is same. 3 means sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of digits should be divisible by 3. 9 means the same. Sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Don't ask me 27. That is not this one. There's a different one. Okay. Sum of digits should be divisible by 3 means that is divisible rule of 3. 9 means divisible by 9. Okay. So now observe that. Okay. We have completed 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7 is not required. Okay. 8 completed, 9 completed. Right or wrong? Right. Now we have to go with the 10. What's the divisibility rule of 10 here? Last digit should be 0. Last digit should be 0. Completed. Is it raining? Last. Cameraman. Right, good. 10 completed. Okay, then I have to go for 10 is completed now, 11. Okay, go with the divisible rule of 11. Okay, now if I want to go with the divisible rule of 11, okay, I don't want theoretical, right? I want just practical application. Okay, good. Right, 11 divisibility rule. Okay, divisibility rule of 11 means, suppose this is, take the alternate digits, add all these numbers, add. If you add, you got x, suppose. Okay, take the remaining, add all this. Suppose you got y. The difference should be either 0 or 11 multiple. Either 0 or 11 multiple. This is the divisibility rule of 11. Okay. Right. I said 7 is required or not required? Not required, because I'll give you the divisibility rule of 7. Later you can understand why it is not useful. Later you can understand why it is not useful. Okay. Yeah. Is it completed? Can I go to the next slide? Can I? Okay, good. All right. The next one is divisibility rule of 7. Okay. With an example, I will explain you. Okay. Suppose he has given 542. Is it divisible by 7 or not? He is asking. Okay, cut the last digit. What it is? 2. Double it. Double is how much? 4. Subtract it from the remaining number. What is the remaining? 54, right? From this, subtract the 4. Okay, how much will get? 50. Is it divisible by 7? If it is not divisible, this is also not divisible. Okay, good. Next one. So suppose if he has given 847. Okay. So what we have to do? Cut the last digit. Double 14. Okay. Subtract 70. It is divisible means this is also divisible. I said this is helpful or not helpful? We have a rule, but it is not helpful. Why? Because suppose randomly I'm taking a 4-digit number. Okay. I'm going with 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it divisible by 7 or not? I have to check. Okay. Last digit is how much? 4. Double is 8. Subtract it. How much you will get? 5, 1, 1. Is it divisible by 7 or not? Again, you have to go with the same procedure. Cut it. 10, 1. Oh, not divisible. So not divisible. So not divisible. Instead of spending this much time on it, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 7 if I go, 7 ones, 53 sevens, okay, 44, 6s, remainder is 2. Before that, we can complete even this one also, right? In this one, you'll get the quotient as well as remainder also, advantage. There you won't get anything, right or wrong? That is the reason we will never go with divisibility rule of 7. Okay, good. Anyhow, do you understand up to this? And now we are going with divisibility rule of 6. Okay. Now, divisibility rule of 6 is very, very important. But before you go for the divisibility rule of 6, you should know the concept of what is co-primes. What is the concept of co-primes or relative primes? Okay, co-primes or relative primes. Okay. Co-primes or relative primes means very simple. Take any two numbers. I'm not restricting to prime numbers. Suppose I'm taking two numbers called 4 and 9. Both are primes or both are non-primes? Not at all a problem. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3, 9. Anything common? If 1 is the only common factor between them, we can say that those two are co-primes. Those two are co-primes or relative primes. Is it clear? Okay, now, suppose if I take 6 and 8, are they co-primes? 6 and 8? No, because sir, 1 and 2, both are common in both, right or wrong? I said only 1 should be the common factor. Apart from 1, you have 2 also. Means these two are co-primes or not co-primes? Not the co-primes are relative primes. 2 rules always remember. Okay. 2 consecutive numbers are always co-primes. 2 consecutive numbers are always co-primes. Okay. Two prime numbers are always co-primes. Two prime numbers are always co-primes. Okay. Suppose if two numbers are co-primes, I'm writing CP. Okay. So then definitely LCM is nothing but product of the numbers. LCM is nothing but product of the numbers. HCF will be only one. HCF will be only one. If you take two co-primes, LCM will be product of the numbers. Means if you want LCM of 4 and 9, 36, that's it. HCF is one only, that's it. Okay. All right. Suppose I have 10 numbers, sir. How many numbers I have? 10 numbers. In those 10 numbers, there is at least one pair of co-primes. There is at least one pair of co-primes. HCF will be one. HCF will be how much? 1. Okay. These are the rules regarding co-primes. These are the rules regarding co-primes. Okay. Anyhow, it is completed means I'll go with the divisible rule of 6. Okay. Right. What is the divisible rule of 6? You tell me. The numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 3. Why 2 and 3? Because 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Yes or no? Now I am getting a doubt that, sir, 12 means 2 into 6, sir. The numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 6 are divisible by 12. Yes or no? No. Take an example 18. Divisible by 2, divisible by 6, but not divisible by 12. Hence your answer is wrong. Right. How do you decide is, yes, what you said is correct. 2 into 3 you have to take. Okay. Here also 12 means 2 into 6 one possibility. Other is 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is correct. 2 into 6 is not. Why? Because these two should be co-primes. That is the condition. Okay. 3 and 4 are co-primes, right or wrong? So now tell me what is the divisible rule of 12? 2 and 9. Because 18 is equal to 2 into 9, where 2 and 9 are co-primes. Happily we can take it. Okay. Now tell me what is the divisible rule of 24? 12, 2 are not co-primes. Okay. You should check 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8. In that way, conventional only you have to check. Okay. So 1 into 24 useless. 2 into 12 are not co-primes. Next one is 3. 3 into 8. Yes, 3 into 8 are co-primes. Got it? With this concept, we can find not all. So many numbers divisible rules. 36 divisible rule means 4 into 9. The numbers which are divisible by both 9 and 4 are divisible by 36. 72 means 8 into 9 because the numbers which are divisible by both 8 and 9 are divisible by, because those are co-primes. Do you understand that? So do you understand the beauty of 6 divisible rule? Okay, now I have completed the divisible rule of 6. Okay. Yeah, I think whatever I said now, this is available everywhere. Okay, except maybe the co-primes or some points I have given. Okay, but the most beautiful points that you have to observe is, remember, tell me, any doubt? Clear? Okay, good. Right, good. So what I can say regarding this is, okay, suppose 576, is it divisible by 3 or not? Yes? Okay. If it is divisible by 3, okay, what you can observe is, if I subtract a number which is a 3 multiple, again it is divisible by 3. If I add a number which is a multiple of 3, again it is divisible by 3. Okay? Right. If I add 3, 579, it is divisible by 3. If I add 6, 576 plus 6, okay, added how much? 12, 8, 5. 582. Verify, is it divisible by 3 or not? Yes. Okay. Any number, not only for 3. Whether you add or subtract also not a problem. Okay. Suppose 576 minus 3 will be 573. Yes, it is also divisible by 3. Okay. Right. So if you take 576, if I subtract 6, it will be 570, right? It is also divisible by 3. If you verify. Got it? Like that we can find it. Like that we can find it. Okay. Suppose observe. I'm taking a number 575. 575. Okay, if I divide with the 3, is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 3? No. How much it is? What's the remainder? 2. No need to take the entire number. Just add all. 5 plus 7 plus 5 is how much? 17. Divide 17 with the 3. Remainder is 2, right? That will be the remainder. That will be the remainder. Now, if you want to add something such that the result is divisible by 3, you can add any number such that on division with the 3, the remainder should be, already it is how much? Okay, you are dividing with 3. Okay, so 3, 2 means how much is the left one? 1. Any number you can take where the remainder is 1. Okay, means if you add 1, it is divisible because remainder is 1. If you add 4, 4 by 3 means remainder is 1, so it will be divisible by 3. If you add 7, okay, so 7 by 3 means remainder is 1. Do you understand? Any numbers you can add. Suppose if I want to subtract something, okay, suppose 575, I'm subtracting some number such that the result should be a divisible by 3. Okay, 575 if you divide with 3, what's the remainder? It is 2. Okay, now these 2 need to be vanished. Means take any number such that remainder you get 2, then it is divisible. Okay, take any number means simply 2, 5, 8 and so on, right or wrong? Like this you can check. Like this you can check. Am I clear to you? Am I? Good. Okay, now the basic of this part is completed. Here coming to LCM and HCF, we have some basic level questions. Okay, in the paper 1, I'm giving basic level questions only. Basic level means suppose observe this classroom. This classroom, I want to make some groups. I want to make some groups. Suppose in the classroom we have 20 members. How many members are there? 20. Can I group two members, one group? Yes or no? How many groups I'll get? 10. Can I group 5 members, one group? How many groups I'll get? 4. Can I group 4 members a group? How many I'll get? 5. Can I group 3 members a group? No. Why? Because 2 members will be left. Suppose I made a statement that this class can be grouped into 2 members, 3 members, 4 members, 5 members. What should be the minimum strength of the class? Suppose I'm asking. Okay. So observe a point. Class strength is 20. I can group it into 2, 2. I can group it into 4, 4, 5, 5. Because for 20, 2, 4, 5 are factors. Nothing but the 20 is a multiple of 2, 4, 5. If I want to group it into 2, 2, the class strength should be a multiple of 2. Group it into 5, 5, class strength should be a multiple of 5. Grouping into 4, class strength should be a multiple of 4. Okay, now in my question I said that can be grouped into 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means common multiple for all those 4. In that I'm asking about the least one. So answer will be least common multiple for all those numbers. What are the least numbers? 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is the LCM for 2, 3, 4, 5? 60? 60? So what is the minimum strength of the class? 60. Do you understand that? Okay, like that with visualization you can do LCM. Okay, hope you understand. Now I am distributing the papers. Now I will distribute the papers. Okay, good. Yeah, solve it here. How many questions we have? 14 questions. Means how much time is required? 21 minutes of the time is required. Distribute meanwhile. Come on. Don't go through the question paper. Don't go through the question paper until everybody got the paper. Handout in online will be uploaded. Just a second. Murli garu? Everybody got the paper? Come on, start. 21 minutes. Now the time is 7:03. At 7:24, you should complete it. As I said earlier, write the question number and do your work, including the rough work. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division also. Question paper. Come on, fast, upload. Online students, just a minute, you'll get it. Just 1 minute. Right. Yeah, I'll give you 1 minute extra for you online students. Don't worry. Do not spend too much time on any problem. If you feel one problem is lengthy, better leave it and go to the next question. At the end, if you have the time, you can solve it. All of you, my dear online and offline students, do the rough work in an organized manner. The rough paper also write the question number and do it. Online students, you too. For online students, last 5 minutes. For offline students, it's only 4 minutes. Come on, complete it fast. My dear students, stop it. Time is over. Yeah, 1 more minute, my dear online students. You enjoy it. Yeah, offline, come on, stop. Don't tick. Get. Yeah, how the paper is? 14 questions. How many have you attempted all the 14? 13. 12. 1, 2. 2 members. Good. Next one. 10. Good. Yeah, 10 means 7. I want to say everyone. 7 or more means 10 all. Okay. 7 or more. Rise. Okay. Good. What about you? Not 7. White shirt. How many? I said 7 or more. I'm just checking here. Okay, 7 is half, right? How many have you attempted? Half of the questions I want to know. Okay, I'm again asking that. How many of you attempted 7 or more? Raise your hands like this. I just need to count. Okay, good. Don't see around you. Okay, I just look into it. Okay, that's enough. Done. Good. Yeah, my dear online students, stop it. Yeah, what about this paper? You feel difficult or easy or moderate? What's your rating? Easy, difficult, moderate. Moderate. What are others? Moderate. Good. So how many have you done the 10th question? 10th when? I think none. Because the question itself looking kilometer. Yes or no? In the examination also, that is the best chance. Don't solve that question directly. Because 2 points you should understand. If you solve it, at least to read the question, you need minimum of 1.5 minutes of time. Okay. So what is the maximum duration to do the problem? 3 minutes already I said, right, in the last session. Okay, in the 3 minutes, 1.5 minutes, you just read the question. Is there any assurance that it will be answered in the next 1 minute? The question is kilometer, na? Okay, if it takes a kilometer time again, so suppose under 5 minutes again, then what happens? What happens? So time waste. So first leave it. Sometimes it might be easy. Sometimes it might be difficult. Better option, leave it. I'll speak about my department, 50 to 55 questions. Arithmetic and reasoning together, right? Okay. So remember that, madam. Listen. Right. In the first 1 hour, you should get clear-cut picture about your paper. Okay. Means 60 questions, or sorry, out of 50 or 55 questions, okay, you should traverse all the questions. If you get the answer, solve it. If you feel that, okay, first question, yes, easy. Yeah, what is the answer for the first question here? Divide by 10 is asking the reminder. Divide by 10, reminder means units place. 9 is the answer. Tick it. Okay. Suppose, meanwhile, when you're coming, at some place, suppose at the 7th question, you felt that, yeah, what is this? Okay, something is wrong. You might feel like that. Okay. So if I do it, I might get, it is something difficult. Like that, you will get some idea, right? Whenever you feel that, that is either moderate or difficult, adjacent to that, write M or D. M means moderate, D means difficult. Okay. In the first 1 hour, try to answer at least 20 to 25 questions. Okay. And in the remaining MRD, MD, 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 MD. Okay. Suppose some students will not touch the comprehension. Okay. Wherever you find comprehension, just into, not MD. Into. Suppose if I write the examination, okay, even though I am a faculty for reasoning, I can teach assumptions, arguments, course of action, all. That will be given in your examination, right? It will be not be reading comprehensions, right? You will ask assumptions, course of action, conclusions, okay, etc., right? But still, I don't want to touch it because I know the difficulty in it. So then what I will do is I will simply into all the comprehension questions. Okay, now I got 55 questions. In the 1 hour, I said that I'll answer minimum 20 to 25 questions. And then MD, na, in the next 1 hour, I'll do all the M problems. Okay. So once M is completed, okay, in the second visit, if you can answer the M, okay, solve it. Else, earlier, this is the way that you cross for, what do we say, comprehension, right? Now, like 6, cross it. So that you tried it second time also, you have not got the answer. So, in the third visit, it is not recommended to go for it, right? Take 6 type mark, into mark. It means like this, go with the into mark. Okay. Into this is also a mark, right? Go with that. Then all M will be completed. The advantage of this is in the second 1 hour, at least you can write 12 to 15 questions of M or D. So first you will complete M. Then you will go for D, right or wrong? Okay. At least 1 hour, 12 questions means 5 minutes you can spend on each problem, right or wrong? Okay. There is the advantage. If you answer 32 to 35 questions, okay, in this procedure, are you touching any difficult questions? Not trying to touch, right? Means our accuracy rate might be 100% or 95% or 90%. Suppose you answered 35 questions with 90% accuracy. Tell me 3.5 questions are wrong. Suppose 4 questions are wrong out of 35. Will you qualify the examination or not? Undoubtedly you will qualify. The game is over. Do you understand? Suppose your preparation is next level. Out of 50 or 55 questions, in the second level also you can, in the first level you touch it 25, in the second level you touch it 15, totally you answered 40 questions with 90% accuracy, then just at the border or beyond the border, 90 marks you will get. Enough, yes or no? In this way you should practice. And second point here, always remember every student. So, morning time you will write GS paper, afternoon time you will write CSAT paper. Where much of your brain need to be used. That is a problem to everyone. Okay, that too in the morning time. If you 100% says that, sir, at 10 cost I will qualify, then in the afternoon you will come with confidence, right or wrong? 90% of the cases, if you get a paper difficult, suppose, you will feel that I might be at the border. If I can answer another 4 questions, definitely I will qualify. This type of mindset you will have, right or wrong? If the paper is difficult, oh my God, paper is easy. Sorry, if the paper is easy, oh my God, paper is easy. Everybody might have answered more number of questions. Oh my God, again tension, right or wrong? If the paper is moderate, also the same paper, yes or no? Automatically that tension you will carry to the next paper, right? Already stress is there on your brain. And that too while you're doing the problem, 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. It will not be like that, right or wrong? Every question. Yes or no? All these expressions will be common, right? You will try like that. So automatically means you're trying to utilize your much of your mind, right or wrong? Then what happens is always remember one thing, every 20 minutes of time or every 30 minutes of time at least, you should give some gap to your brain. That is the reason if you attempt 10 questions in the examination, immediately bubble it. While you're bubbling, no need to use your brain wherever it is, right or wrong? So happily, to bubble 10 questions, at least 2-3 minutes is enough, right? In the 2 minutes, that is relaxation. No need to use your brain. Immediately go with the next 10 questions. Where the common mistake that the students will do is, this is a silly point students will feel. Okay, 10 questions. No. 20 questions. No. 30 questions. No. Okay, at the end I will bubble. No. With that, what do we say? They will do like a warrior in the exam. In the war. After, remember that 15 questions, if you answer like that, your brain says that temporarily out of service. Okay. So that situation, temporarily out of service situation. Okay. You want to do 6 threes. You will say that 6 threes are 6 threes. 6 threes. 6 threes. 18. Do you understand that? Means now tell me your brain is supporting you or not supporting you. Take that gap. If you won't take that gap, automatically you will struggle like that in the examination. Just go through your previous exams, at least in your academics, MSET examination, or if you write any competitive examination, maybe previous CSAT papers, etc. Have you ever tried like this? Some small point. That one. Hey, that one. Yes or no? If you got that point, that means that your brain is already stopped responding. Immediately, what you have to do? Give some gap to it. Do the bubbling. Then go to the questions again. Then your brain says that, yes, I am ready. I am boosted with boost. Okay, right, good. Shall we start the questions here? Let's see the questions one by one. Yeah, right. Already completed. Divide by 10 means remainder is nothing but units place 9. Okay, go to the next question. What is the remainder when 2 power 192 is divided by 6? Here, actually, we have some other beautiful reminders concepts. Okay, so I know that, but I have given directly question to you. Because already I have given this type of question to you when 100 power something, right or wrong? When you divide with 7, you got 2 only, right? 2 power something. I said rise 2 power 1, 2 square, etc., right or wrong? Okay, let's go to this one also. What will you do? 2 power 1, divide with 6. The remainder is how much? 2. Yes or no? 2 square is how much? 4. Divide with 6. The remainder is how much? 4 only. 2 cube is 8. Divide with 6. The remainder is 2 only. Anytime remember, if it is repeated, then the game is a different case. Okay, it is repeated, right or wrong? After how long it is repeated? 2 times. After how long it is repeated? 2 times. If you want to go with 2 power 4, how much it is? 16. 16 means 16 by 6 means 6 2s are 12. Remainder is how much? 4. So 2 4 2 4 2 4. 2 times means already in the units place only I said that power even or odd we have to check. Yes or no? Okay. 2 power this is even or odd? This is odd. What's the answer? 2. 2 power even, what you got? 4. Okay, now tell me 2 power even or odd? Even means answer is 4. The game is over. Sometimes, suppose not 2, he gave 4. Okay, 4 power 736. When you divide with 6, what is the remainder he is asking? Okay. The beauty of 4 is 4 power 1, when you divide with 6, the remainder will be 4 only. 4 square is 16, divided by 6, the remainder is 4 only, means always the same number. Whatever the power you raise, the remainder will be 4 only. Got it? It will happen to every number or only sometimes only? Sometimes. That you have to identify like this. Is it clear? When you observe, when I said go with the powers, I said 2 points to you. Number one, ultimate target is getting 1 or -1. Yes or no? If you won't attain, whatever is the previous remainder, less than that. At least if you won't get even that one, at least the previous remainder you have to get again. If you do you understand? If you get the same previous, what happens? You will go like a periodicity concept of unitary method. Whatever you did in unitary method, if the periodicity is 1, periodicity is 2, periodicity is 4, right? For periodicity 4, whatever I say, the same concept you have to apply here. Got my point in reminders? Am I clear? Good. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, this is an extraordinary question. Okay. To answer this, yeah, I forgot to inform you one question, one model of concept. I'll explain you first. Okay. Good. Right. Suppose if I have given a small number called 30, I'm asking you what are the factors of 30? What are the factors of 30? You can say that, sir, 1 is a factor. Yes or no? 2 is a factor. 3 is a factor. 4 is not. 5 is a factor. Okay. So 6 is a factor. So 7 not, 8 not, 9 not, 10. Like that you can verify. So next 15, next 30. You can do it. Yes or no? Is it a big deal or a simple deal only? Simple deal. Okay, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, what do we say? 8 factors are there for it. Okay, good. Now the point is, sir, if it is 30, you can do it, sir. Suppose my number is not 30, my number is 1292. How many factors are there? Are you able to do that? No. Okay. So we have a concept that is, suppose 1292, go with prime factorization. Only with the prime numbers divide. 2 6s, 2 4s, 2 6s. Again with the prime number, 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 1s. Okay. Again, it is divisible by 3, right? 3. Okay. 3 means? Here, if I write the mistake, you should remind me. It is 3. Because it is not divisible by 3. How it is divisible by 3? I'm checking. Got it? Okay. 323. Is it divisible by 3? No. Is it divisible by 5? I said only prime numbers, right? 5? No. Next prime number is 7. Verify. No. 7 4s are 28. So 43 means not. Okay. Next number is 11. No. Next number is 13. 13 2s are 26. 63. No. Okay. Next number is 17. Okay. 17 ones and so on, right? Okay, you have to verify with the prime numbers. We'll call it as prime factorization. What we'll call it as prime factorization. Okay, so not going with this much larger at a time, going with a bit smaller. Suppose I'm going with 72. Okay, then if you prime factorization, 2 36s, 2 18s, 2 9s, so 3 3s. Okay, can I write as 2 cube into 3 square? Okay, if you want number of factors, what I can say is, what is the powers? 3 and 2. Add 1 to each. Add 1 to each. 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. Okay. 3 plus 1 is 4 into 3. How much it is? 12. We have 12 factors. Okay. So, not for all. At least for some numbers, you should be in a state to identify the factors. You should write the factors. How you have to write is, write the square root of, I'm asking about 72, right? Square root of 72, not the exact value. It lies between two natural numbers, right? What it is? What is the square root of 72? Lies between 8 to 9. 8 to 9. Smallest is 8. Okay. Verify up to 8. Okay. Is 1 is divisible by 72? Yes. Is 2 is divisible by 72? 3 is divisible by 72? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is divisible, right? Okay. I said verify up to 8. If you want the remaining factors, okay, 72 by 1, 72 by 2, 72 by 3, 72 by 4, 72 by 6, 72 by 8. These are the total factors. Count it. You got 12 or not? 6 and 6. Total how many factors you got? 12. In this way, you should be in a state to write it. You should be in a state to identify. Next one. In the last session, I said that when you divide a number with 20, the remainders are from 0 to 19. Okay. These 2 points together, we have to answer the, what is it? This is not. to answer this one. This is a CSAT 2023 question. Okay. Right. How many natural numbers are there which give a remainder of 31 when 1186 is divided by these natural numbers? Okay. Right. You want to take some natural number. Okay. Such that when you divide 1186, when 1186 is divided by that natural number, what's the remainder? Okay. Suppose my natural number is n here. N is divided by 1186 or 1186 is divided by n? 1186 is divided by that natural number. Okay. 1186 is divided by that natural number. What's the remainder here? 31. So, point 1, the remainder is 31. Remainder is 31 means this n should be 32 or more. Yes or no? Suppose if it is 5, the remainder maximum I'll get is 4 only. But I have to get 31, means it should not be 5. Yes or no? This is point 1. Point 2. Here from 1186, if I suppose 25, if I divide with 6, what's the remainder? Tell me. 6 4s are 24. Remainder is how much? 1. That means that from the given number, if you subtract the remainder, it is divisible by this one. Or this is a factor. Yes or no? Okay. From 1186, if you subtract 31, 1155 you will get. 1155 you will get. Yes or no? Okay. So for this, n should be a factor. N should be a factor. Okay. So suppose he has not specified much about 31. Okay. Suppose he is asking how many numbers are divisible by 1155. Suppose simply. How many numbers are divisible by 1155? Divisible means factor only, right? Yes or no? Means indirectly how many factors are there he is asking. If you want number of factors, what should I do? Prime factorization, right? Shall we go with the prime factorization of 1155? Okay, 5 2s, 3s, 1s. 5 2s are 10, 15 means 3s, 5. Okay, divisible by 3, 3 7s, 3 7s. Okay, divisible by 7 11s. Okay, yeah, what you got? 5 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1 into 11 power 1. Yes or no? What are the total factors that you will get? Plus 1. Plus 1 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So total are 16. Okay, but all should I count it? Or only the numbers which are more than 32 I have to take? I'm asking you. More than 32. Okay. So then what you have to think is, you have to take combinations of it. Combinations of it. Okay. Or else go with the square root of 1186, approximate value. Anybody knows the square root of 1186 approximately? 32 to 33. 33 means 32 square is 1074, 1024. No. 33 to 34. No. 34 to 35. Okay. 34 square is 1156, I think. Okay. So 34 to 35. Okay. If you know that, okay. You know 34 to 35, right? I'm writing here. Okay. 1186 square root means lies between 34 to 35. Lower number is 34. Okay. I said that if you want the factors of, hey, we have to go with 1155 now. Sorry. 1155. Okay. So it will be 33 to 34. Yeah. Okay. 34 square value is 34 square. Calculate. No need the calculator. Don't use the calculator. In the examination, it is not there. Come and do it. 1156. Okay. Shall we do? I'll give the trick for you to calculate. Okay. First go with the 4th square. How much it is? 16. 1 carry. Okay. Then multiply these two. 3 4s are 12. Double it again. 24. Add the 1. 25. 2 and 5 carry. Now 3 square. 9 plus 2. That is the 34 square. Okay. That is applicable for 1 to 100. 1 to 100 squares. Okay. Good. Anyhow. 34 square is 1156 means less than that, right? So it is 33 to 35. We have to verify with the prime numbers from 1 to 34. Okay. Sorry, 2 to 34. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it? I'm checking with 1155, right? Okay. Is it divisible by 3? Verify 1155. Yes. Okay. 3 I'm writing. Okay. Next one. Is it divisible by 5? I have to check, sorry, I have to check all the numbers. Okay, 3 completed, 4. Is it divisible by 4? No. 5, yes. Okay, 6, no. 7, verify. 7 ones, 45, 35, yes. Okay, after 7, 8, not divisible. No even number is divisible because it is not even. Okay, next, try with 9. 5, 5, 10 plus 2, 12, not divisible. Okay, 10, not divisible. 11, verify. Yes, it is divisible. 11. Okay, 12. 12. No, because even number. 13, verify. Minus 2 means 11, 1, 1, 5, not divisible. Okay, so after 13, 14. No. 15, verify. 15 means 5 and 3, right? It is divisible. So 15. Okay, go with 16, not possible. Try with 17. 17, 13, 135, not divisible. Okay. Next, go with 18, not divisible. Go with 19. No, not divisible. 20, not divisible. 21 means 7 and 7, 3. Yeah, 21. Okay. 22 means 11, 2. No. 23 means no. 23, verify. 23, 5 is 115, not divisible. 24 means 18, 5 and 5. No. 25 is not divisible. Okay. 26, 13 divisible. No, leave it. 27. No. 28, 7, no, 28 is not divisible. 29 prime number, try it. 29 4s are 116 means 28 285, not divisible. 29 is, are you trying? Okay, so you have to try, is it divisible by 29 or not? Okay, 29 4s are 116. It is less by 1, right? 29 4s are 116. How can I say that much faster? 29 means in my mind it is 25 plus 4. 25 4s are 100, 4 4s are 16, 116. Got my point? Okay, like that only you have to do. I am also not doing any miracles. I don't know the tables from 1 to 100. Okay, I am not by-hearting. Okay, so like that you have to verify. 116 means it is less by 1. Means the remainder will be 28. Because you are going with 29, na? 1 less, na? So 28. 285. 29 tens are 290. It is less by 5. Means not divisible. Okay. Next, go with 30, not divisible. 31 is a prime number. Try it. 31 4s are 124. That much is not there. Try it. You try it. If I am doing, you are just. Okay. Try it. Is it divisible by 31 or not? No calculator. Double 1, double 5. Is it divisible by 31? Two 25, 31. No, not divisible. Okay. Right. 32 is not divisible, right? 33 is already divisible because 11 is there, 3 is there, means 33 is divisible. I have to check up to 33 only, right? Okay. Now we have to go with the mates. Yes or no? No need to write now. No need to write now. Some numbers will be there. Okay. I said that he's asking how many such. Okay. 1155. N is a factor. Okay. These all are the factors. Total how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double 14. Total how many factors are there? 14. But you have to take a number which is 32 or more. 32 or more. Means this should be counted or should not be? This ruled out. Okay. Now 33, if you divide with this one, okay, 33 means 11 into 3, right? Means this all will left. 1155 means 5 into 3 into 7 into 11. Okay, 11 threes. Means the remainder is 7 5s. Okay, what is the remaining one? 35 is this number. Yes or no? Do you understand my point? So, 1155 means 5 into 3 into 7 into 11. What you have to do? Divide by 33. 33 means 3 into 11. These two will be cancelled, means 5 into 7 will be left ones. So, 35 is the quotient. Okay. So, as the number decreases, this will be more than that. Yes or no? Yes or no? So, this is the 35 or more than 35? Say loudly. This will be more than 35, more than 35, more than 35, more than 35, more than 35. So, more than 32 or 32, I have to count it. Means these 7 numbers I have to count it or not? And this one. Total how many numbers are there? So, what's the answer? C. What's the answer? It is C. Am I clear? Good. Can you tell me? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, if you take this one, 3, 1, 1, 5, 1 into 1, 1, 5, right? This should also be counted, right or wrong? Okay, this will not be counted. This will also be counted, right? So 9 will be the answer. Good. Okay. Am I clear? Yeah, the question can be solved in 2 ways. Number 1 is, I said here how to write the 72 factors, right? By using that. Okay. If it is clear means I'll go with the other concept. Okay. The common property is up to this is common. 5 into 3 into 7 into 11 is common. Okay. Then I have to go for the remaining. Okay. Can I go with the next concept? Okay. See, observe that. What you got? 1, 1, 5, 5 is equals to you got 3 into 5 into 7 into 11, right? Okay. So you have to take the what is the factors? Factors are nothing but these two product is a factor. Yes or no? Yes or no? Or these two product is a factor. Yes or no? Or sir, these 3 numbers product is a factor. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, good. Okay. Now, one number if I take 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 7 is a factor, 11 is a factor. Those are also factors, right? Okay. One number if I take, what happens? These 4 will come. But none is more than 32, right? So this will be the counted, will not be counted, those 4. I'm asking you, those 4 will be counted or will not be counted? Will not be counted. Okay. Two numbers if I take, okay, observe that. Our target is getting 32 or more. 32 or more. 3 into 11 is 33. Okay, satisfied. 3 into 7, 5. No. Yes or no? With the 3, I'll get only 3 11s. Okay, 1. With the 5 7s, more than the 32. 5 11s, more than 32. Means with the 5, you will get 2 cases. Yes or no? Suppose if I take 7, 3 into 7, no need to count, right? Only 7 into 11, I have to count. Is it more than 32? Yes. Okay, with the 7 into something, only 1. 7 11s. Because 7 5s and 5 7s, both I am counting here, right or wrong? Both are same. Yes or no? Okay. By taking 2, this is one procedure. Suppose if I take 3 3. Any 3, smallest 3 I am taking. 3 into 5 into 7. Will it be 32 or more than 32? Tell me that. Okay. Smallest 3 product is also more than 32 means largest will also be more than 32, right? Okay. So any 3 if I take, definitely it will be. You can count manually or you can count by using permutations and combinations. If I want to count manually, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4. Or else, okay, 3 3 I have to take. 3 I have to select. Yes or no? 3 I have to select. Selection means combination. Combination means NCR I have to use. Okay. 4 means 4C3. 4C3 is equal to 4C1. So it will be how much? 4. Okay. 3 3 if I take, you will get this much. Okay. Next, I can take all the 4 at a time, right or wrong? All the 4 also more than 32 only, right or wrong? Okay. All the 4 at a time means 1. Count it all. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. That will be the answer. Got it? You feel this one is better? That one is better. This one. Okay. So I feel both are better. Because from both you can learn some points. Yes or no? Learn both. Can I go to the next question? You want to copy the previous slide or not required? Copied it? Yeah, this is a question in which year? CSAT 2023. Oh, you understand, na? Oh, mentally you should prepare that. Okay. Yeah, I want this or not required. If you maintain properly the rough sheet, there also you can accommodate. Can I go to the next one? Yeah, actually, you know how we got powers plus 1, etc. concept, that also comes from this concept only. From this concept only, add power plus 1, etc., etc. will become. Okay, right, good. Anyhow, can I go to the next one? Good. A number n formed by writing 9 for 99 times. Yeah, this is a question from Csat 2023. But it is actually a simple question if you can understand. Okay. Good. Observe. A number n is formed by writing 9 for how many times? 99 times. Okay, means 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and so on. You have to write. It's a 99 digit number, right or wrong? Okay, good. When you divide, what is the remainder when n is divided by 13? When n is divided by 13. So first of all, the question is clear for you, right? Sir, instead of giving 99 times, suppose he said that 4 times. Then sir, happily double nine by 13. So 13 sevens are 91, sir. 89, 13 sixes are 78, 11. So 13 nines are 117, remainder is 2. Sir, the game is over. Yes or no? Yes. If it is for 4 times, okay. If it is for 3 times, okay. At least if it is for 6 times, I will try. If it is for 10 times, even 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10 times I will write and I could do it. But 99 times it is impossible for me. But still he is asking means definitely there will be some relation between them, right or wrong? Okay. Already I said that sometimes always the same will repeat, right or wrong? I said in 2 and 6, every 2 times repeats. 4 and 6, every time the same will come. Like that, there might be same cycle, right or wrong? Okay, I'll follow the same rule here. Okay, so 9 divided by 13. Because I want to form the cycle now. Else I'm unable to answer, right or wrong? Okay, 9 divided by 13. What's the remainder? 4 or minus, sorry. You can say either 9 or minus 4. Yes or no? Okay, if I take 99, okay, what's the remainder you will get? 13 sevens are 71. Sorry, 91. 8. 8 is the remainder. Or else you can say minus 5. Or else you can say minus 5. Okay, 999 if I take by 13. What the students will do the mistake is again they will start 13 nines are 13 sevens are 91 and so on. No, no, no. 2 times means remainder is 8. Means up to 2 times remainder is 8. 8 and 9, 89. Got my point? Up to this you did now. How much is the remainder you got? 8. 8 and 9, 89. 89 means 13 6 are 78. Remainder is 11. 11 means minus 2. Suppose if I go for up to this extent, whether you do in the convention or like this, both gives the same. But now onwards, observe, double nine if I take, divide by 13, up to 3 nines, it is 11. 11 and 9 means 119. 119 means 13 nines are 117. Remainder is how much? 2. Remainder is how much? 2. Okay. So now another 9 I have to add. Because nothing repeated so far if you observe. That's why I'm continuing. Okay. Right. It's not giving much pain for me because up to this already I have taken. Now what is the remainder? 2. 29 means how much it is? 3. Yes or no? Okay, now come to the next one. Another 9 if I add. 6 nines divided by 13. Here what you got up to 5? 3, 9, 39. 39 means remainder is 0. Sir, I like this number a lot, sir. Okay. So why? Because, sir, at 6 times you're getting 0, right? At 6 times you're getting 0, right? Okay, observe a small pointer. This 9, suppose I'm writing only 9 times. For your convenience, I'm showing you. 3, 3, 9, 9 times, right? How many times it will be 0? 6 times. This I will split it as 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9s. This is required for me. The remaining zeros plus 999. Can I do like this? Can I do like this? Remainder means from here you will get the remainder 0. From here you will get the remainder of 11. Yes or no, my dear boys and girls? Yes. Okay, now you have 9 times or 99 times. Say loudly. 99 times. Okay. Then what I will do, every 6 times I will keep the remaining zeros. Every 6 times I'll take the remaining zeros. Automatically the remainder will be 0. Okay. Every 6 times 0, right? 99 means how many 6s are there? 6 16s are 96. 6 6s are 96. Means up to 96 times, if I write separately, it will be 0 only. Okay. In the 99 times, 96 times were completed. How many are left? 3. 3 means how much? The answer is 11. Got it, my dear boys and girls? Are we able to do at least in the span of 2 minutes? At least 3 minutes. 3 minutes is also fine for me, right or wrong? Yes, we can. Okay. But getting this idea is important. Getting this idea is important. Okay, getting up to 6 followed by this one. Okay, that is important. Okay, right. The other thing that you can think from here onwards is every 6 times the same will repeat. Yes or no? If you write one more line, what happens here? Up to this it is 0. Okay, means again the same. Every 6 times repeat. Yes or no? If every 6 times repeat, what I said? Divide the power with 6, consider the remainder. Yes or no? In a similar manner, 99 times means divide with 6, consider the remainder. 99 by 6, what's the remainder? 3. 3 means 11. Like periodicity also you can do it. Am I clear? I don't know whether it is clear for you or not, because you are not responding. Boys and girls, am I clear? Yeah. Can I go to the next question? Yeah, it is divisible by 7 here. What is the value of P? He's asking. Yeah, I don't want to do it here. I'll replace the values with 1, 6, 7, and so on. My time need to be saved or shaved? Saved only, na? Okay, you do one thing. Before P, divide it separately. 3, 7, 9, 8, 1, 2, 5. You have to divide with 7 only. Divisible by 7 only, na? Divide with 7. Okay. Yeah, 7 5s. 29 means 7 4s. 1 8 means 7 2s. 4 1 means 7 5s. 6 2 means 7 8s. Okay, 6 5 means 7 9s. What's the remainder you got? 3. Whatever the value of P you substitute here, whatever the value you substitute here, up to this you have to divide, right? Up to this you have to divide, right? Okay. After that, suppose P is equal to 1, I am substituting. If it is 1, means already the remainder is how much? 3. Okay, what are the remainder numbers? 1, 3, 6, 9. Okay, already it is 3 now. Now it is, tell me 3 or, sorry, it is 1 or 31? Sorry? 63 means 2. Yeah, good. Okay, remainder is 2. Yeah. Now tell me it is 1, 3, 6, 9 or already 2 is carrying? 2 is carrying means it is 21. 21 means 7 is divisible. 36 means 7 5s. 19 means not divisible. Now tell me P1 is possible or not possible? Not possible. Leave it. Okay, what's the next number? Okay, 6 I am taking. 6. 2 6 means 7 3s are 21. Remainder is 5. 53 means 4. 7 7s are 49. 4. 46 means 4. 49. Yes, divisible. So when it is divisible, B is the answer. Do you understand how I saved my time? Am I clear? Am I clear? Good. Are you finding the different approaches to think? Okay, that is important. Can I go to the next question? How many 3-digit natural numbers without repetition of digits are there such that each digit is odd? Underline the word, each digit is odd. And the number is divisible by 5. The number is divisible by 5. Okay. And repetition is allowed or without repetition of digits? Without repetition. Okay. Digits means actually 1 to 0 to 9. That too we have to take only odd. Only odd means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. These 5 only I have to take. It should be divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 means last digit, 3-digit number, right? Last digit should be 5 or 0. 0 is not possible. So last digit is fixed. How much it is? 5. Okay. Means repetition is not allowed. Means these two will never be occupied by 5. How many numbers are left? 4. Out of 4 digits, anyone may appear here. Yes or no? Anyone may appear, right or wrong? How many ways it can be filled? 4 ways. I said already if the work is not completed in 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? The work is not completed, right? So in 2. Coming to this place, you want all or repetition of digits or no repetition of digits? No repetition. Out of 4, 1 appeared here. Means how many are left? 3. So 3 into 4. How much it is? 12. So B is the answer. Yeah, this is CSAT 2022 question. Luckily easy question. Can I go to the next one? Yeah, this is an extraordinary question. A digit n greater than 3 is divisible by 3, but not divisible by 6. Okay, n is a N is a digit. The important word is N is a digit. Digit means only 0 to 9. Okay, it is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means 0, 3, 6, 9. Yes or no? But divisible by 6 or but not divisible by 6? Okay, means 6 is possible or not? Okay, 0 is possible or not? Not. And at the beginning only he said that N is greater than. So means 3 is possible or not? Now tell me what is the value of N? N value is fixed 9. N value is 9. Yeah, what he is asking is, which of the following is divisible by 4? You know already value of N. Substitute there. Okay. Yeah. 2 into 9. How much it is here? Divisible by 4 or not? 2 into 9, 18. Plus 4 is 22. Divisible by 4 or not? No. 3 into 9, 27. Divisible by 4 or not? Not. 3 into n plus 1 means 28. Divisible by 4 or not? Yes. What is the answer? D. It's a difficult question or very easy question. Okay. But I don't know whether you segregated like this or not. If you segregate like this. Can I go to the next question? Can I? Let x be a positive integer such that 7x plus 96x. 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. Okay. How many values of x are possible? Okay. How many values of x are possible? He is asking. Okay. It is divisible by x means, sir, my number is n, sir. It is 7x plus 96, sir. Okay. Sir, I am dividing with x, sir. What I am doing? I am dividing with x. He said the remainder is how much? Divisible means remainder is how much? Say loudly. 0. Remainder is how much? 0. Then what should I do? I'll divide here. I'll divide here. 7x by x means divisible. What you will get the remainder? 0. Here the remainder you are unable to say. But overall it is divisible means the remainder should be to get 0. This is already 0. That means this should be 0. That should be 0. Sir, means 96 if you divide with x, you are getting a remainder of 0. Now tell me, can I say x is a factor to 96? Yes or no? Okay. Means how many factors of 96 are possible? He is asking. Yes or no? Do you understand how the question was completely narrated, completely deviated? Okay. He is asking that how many factors are there? How many factors means what will you do? Prime factorization, right or wrong? Okay. What is prime factorization? 2 48s, 2 24s, 2 12s, 2 6s. Okay. 2 3s. Okay. 2 power 5 into 3. Okay. Here, how many factors means? Add plus 1 to the powers, right? Okay. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. 6 2s are how much? 12. What's the answer? C is the answer. Got it? So this is the CSAT 2023 question. Wow, luckily very simple question. If you can understand. If you can understand. In reminders, I already said that like this you have to do, right? Number of factors already, right? So the game is over. Here I am going with 2 power 5 into 3 power 1, right? I am going in the conventional manner, right? Actually, there is no such rule. Okay. 96 here. By seeing, I am getting 16 into 6 here, suppose. Okay. Will you get at least this idea? 16 means 2 power 4. Only prime numbers we need, right? 6 means 2 into 3. Okay. Means overall 2 power 5 into 3. Like this also you can think. No need to do like this. This is the conventional way I am explaining. Okay. Anyhow, is it clear? Can I go to the next question? An 8-digit number 4252746b leaves a remainder 0 when divided by 3. How many values of b are possible? How many values of b are possible? Okay, what is the divisible rule of 3? Sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Okay, add it here. Yeah, in this one also, if you want to do in the simplest manner, where you find 3 or 3 multiples, rule out. Okay, so next, any other? No. Where you get sum of digits, 2 digits, 3 digits, as you wish. 3 or 3 multiples, leave it. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 multiple, leave it. 5 plus 7 is 12. 3 multiple, leave it. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 multiple, leave it. What's the only one that is left out? B. Okay. So it is divisible by 3 means B should also be 3 multiple. And B is a digit. Okay, means B can be 0. B can be 3, 6, 9. People will forget it. 3, 6, 9 they will write. 0 is also a possibility. Okay. What are the numbers? How many possibilities are there? 4. So answer is C. You forget 0? If you forget 0, when you come out, if you find this answer, it's heart touching, yes or no? Right. Can I go to the next question? Oh, solid question. Okay, in the examination, what you should do? Tell me first. Skip. Okay, why? Because, yeah, the question is kilometer. Yeah, if you read, nobody will give a Nobel Prize, right? Yes or no? If you solve this question in the examination, will he say that, yeah, he is the Bahubali of this year? Give him the job. Will he say that? Okay, if it is correct, he will give you marks. If it is wrong, automatically you will lost it. Yes or no? Good. So that is the reason. Okay, in the examination, better leave it. But for me, it is mandatory, right? I'm explaining you. Okay, right. An identity card has a number, a distinct digit. Underline the word distinct. Means no two digits should be the same. Okay. What are the digits? 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Count it. How many are there? 7 only. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 only. Okay. Next one. The number is divisible by 9. Okay. Sir, the number is divisible by 9 means, sir, I have a small doubt. 123, is it divisible by 3? Yes or no? What is sum of digits? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. If I arrange 321, divisible by 3 or not? Same digits, sir. Automatically it will be right or wrong? Okay. The number is divisible by 9 means, definitely all the 7 digits I have to use. Yes or no? Automatically what happens here? Whatever the order you take, that sum should be 9 multiple, right or wrong? Add it first. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 9 is 36. Yes, it is divisible. Means any order I can take. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. It is divisible by 9. Okay. This is not, according to me, nothing. This number is already divisible by 9. I know that. No need to give this statement for me. Redundancy. Go to the next one. After deleting the first digit from the right, means this digit is deleted. Okay, then what he said, after deleting the first digit, the resultant number is divisible by 6. Okay, this entire is divisible by 6. This entire is divisible by 6. Underline the point. Divisible by 6 means definitely it should be an even number, right? It should be an even number means this place should be occupied by only the even numbers that we have are 2, 4, 8. Okay, any of the 3 will be here. That is for sure. That is for sure. Okay, next one. Sir, one digit I am leaving now. Which one I have to leave? That is also very important. Okay, what is the sum of digits? 36, right? It is divisible by 3, right? It is divisible by 3. You are omitting one digit. You are omitting one digit. Still, it should be divisible by 3. Still, it should be divisible by 3. Yes or no? Okay, so you can leave 3 multiples. I already said now, you should leave 3 multiples. Means 3 can be omitted, 6 can be omitted, 9 can be omitted. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, 3 is not there. Luckily, 6 is also not there. So 9 should be omitted. Okay, so this place is 9 fix. Okay, strike out. Strike out. Okay, yeah, come to the next one. After deleting 2 digits from the right of the original number, not from this case, from the original 2 digits, if you leave, okay, the result is divisible by 5. Okay, sir, this is divisible by 5 means this digit should be 5. Yes or no? Divisible by 5 means last digit should be either 5 or 0. 0 is not there means that is 5. So 5 is ruled out, sir. Okay. After deleting 3 digits from the right of the original number, the resulting number is divisible by 4. Okay, 3 such numbers. These 3 if I omit. Divisible by 4. Okay. If it is divisible by 4, that means that it is an even number, right? Yes or no? Okay. Even number means already we have 3 even numbers. One utilized here. Okay. Definitely the other will be, this is even. I'm writing only. Okay. So these 2 should be divisible by 4. I'm just keeping like that because I'm unable to write now. Okay. Divisible by 4. Keep it aside. Yeah, good. After deleting 4 digits from the right of the original number, the resulting number is divisible by 3. How many numbers you are leaving? 4 numbers. Sorry, 4 or 5. After deleting 4 digits from the result is divisible by 3. Okay, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 4 if I leave. Okay, these 3 is divisible by 3. These 3, keep it in silent here at least. Okay, yeah, already observed that 5 and 9 gone, sir. What are the numbers that we have? 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Okay, divisible by 3 means definitely last 3 digits should sum is multiple of 3. Okay, these 3 sum is how much? 7. Works out? Will not work. Will not work. What about this? Will not work. What about this? No. 1 plus 2 plus 8 is 11. Will work or will not work? With 1 and 2 combination, I am not getting, sir. With 1 and 2 combination, I am not getting. So that means now tell me this place is 2 or is not 2? That place is 2 or will not be 2? Will not be 2. Yes or no? Oh, okay. You don't know why I am writing it now. I know the next step also. Okay, keep it. So 1 and 2 is not possible now. I am thinking that 1, 4, 7. Count it. 12. Okay, 1, 4, 7 is possible. Or combination also. Okay, next one. So 1, 4, 8. No. 1, 4, 8. No. Okay, that is one possibility. Sir, or else 1, 7, 8 shall we try? Yes or no? No. 1, 7, 8 is 16. Not possible. Okay, next. Okay, sir, with 1 I tried all. With the 2 I am trying. 2 plus 4 plus 7 is how much? 2 plus 4 plus 7 is how much? 13. Will work or will not work? 2 plus 4 plus 8. Actually, no need to check. Why? Because all the 3, if you use here, how even and even comes here? That is possible or impossible? Okay, leave it. Now I'm thinking of 4, 7, 8. So I'm unable to use, sir. Why? Because 2 even numbers, if you use in these 3 places, this place is even, this place is even. Possible or impossible? Possible. Means only one possibility is there. That is 1, 4, 7. I have to use. In these 3 places, what I have to use? 1, 4, 7. I don't know which order I have to. Sir, but I got, let's go to the next point. Okay. After deleting 5 digits from the right of the original number, the resulting number is divisible by 2. Okay. 5 digits means this all. This 2 is divisible by 2 means it's an even number. Okay. Even number means in these 2, 1, 4, 7 has to come, right? Okay. The even should come here, right or wrong? This place is fixed, sir. 4. That place is fixed. That is 4. Okay. So these 2 will be 1 or 7 and it will come in any order. Okay. So now what I will think is even and even. 4 already appeared. 4 already appeared. Okay, now I'm rewriting blank 4 blank blank 5 blank 9. Yes or no? Okay, what I'm doing is, sir, this place I'm fixing 8, sir. I don't know, that is because 2 and 8 are left out, right or wrong? 2 and 8 are left out. So maybe 8, maybe 2. I'm going with the talent error because all the conditions I have completed. Okay, because he's asking which of the following is a possible value of some of the middle 3 digits of the number. Means he's going to the question. Means now I have to talent error. Okay. If it is 8, undoubtedly this should be 4. Yes or no? These two should be even, right? Oh, sorry. 2. Good. So if it is 2, okay. So 1, 4, 7 now. In these 2, 1 and 7 will come, right? Okay. If 1 comes, 12. These 4 digits should be, these 2 should be digits divisible by 4 now. Satisfied or not? Okay. Sir, even though 7, 7, 2 also possible. Happy. Do first. Sir, I am assuming that why 8 and 2, sir? 2 and 8 is right. Okay. Blank 4. Okay. Blank blank 5. Blank 9, right? This is 2 I am taking. This is 8 I am taking. Okay. So these 2 places will be either 1 or 7. Okay. If I take 7 here, 78, is it divisible by 4? 19 4s are 76. Not divisible. Okay, sir. 7 doesn't have. At least 1 if I take. Only 1 and 7 will come, right, in these 2 places. 1 and 8 is divisible by 4 or not? No. Okay, means now tell me 8 will come here or will not come here? Will not come here. That means that this is 2, this is 8, right? These 2 can be 1 or 7. Those 2 can be interchanged, right? Any doubt, my dear boys and girls? Right, what's the question he is asking? Which of the following is possible value for the sum of the middle 3 digits? Here for these ones, what are the middle 3 digits? 1 to 5 or 7 to 5. Okay. Yeah, tell me here. 1 to 5 means how much it is? 8. 7 to 5 means how much it is? 14. Yeah, this is 12. In your paper, it is printed 12 only, no? No, it is 12 actually. Okay, that 4 is extra cutting. Okay, good. So now tell me what is the possible sum? 8. So what's the answer? Yeah. Got it, my dear boys and girls? Yeah. Now tell me in the examination, students can do this problem in the examination or not? This year my friend got the selected for civil services. He said that I did it in the exam hall. Okay. Now you can imagine what is the level of the students. Okay. So even I thought that no student will do in the exam. Okay. But my friend said that, yeah, I did, yeah. Okay. Good. So since he is my classmate, I have not done with the physical classes to him. In the online, he has seen my videos, so many of my videos. And he said that every time I got not less than 100. I think he gave 4 attempts. How many for OC? 6. All the 6 attempts he gave. Okay. Every time he got more than 100. Okay. So he did this one also. Unfortunately, in that year only he got the job. He was selected for civil services. Okay. Right. Now in IA and some things. Yeah. How many integers are there between 1 and 100 which have 4 as a digit but are not divisible by 4? 4 should be a digit. How many numbers are there? We have to calculate. Not divisible by 4, we'll see later. Okay. 4 has a digit. 1 to 100 now means 1 digit, 2 digit. That's it. Okay. So what I can say is 4 as a digit means 4, 14, 24, and so on 94. Nothing but units place I'm getting 4. How many numbers are there? 10. Yes or no? Tens place, am I right or wrong? Okay. Tens place also I can get 4, right? Okay, what they are? 40, 41, 42, and so on 49. Actually, these are 10. These are 10. Sir, already 44 you counted here, right? That should be counted or should be omitted? So already 9. So total are 19, sir. Actually. But he says that should be divisible by 4 or should not be divisible by 4? Okay. Let us think of units places. Sir, this is divisible by 4. 24 is divisible by 4. The next number 34 is not divisible. 44 is divisible by 4. Means that should be omitted. Yes or no? Means every second number I have to omit. So how many I have to omit? 5 I have to leave. Yes or no? Okay. In the tens place also I have to count separately, right? Okay. In the tens place already 44 I left. 40 is divisible. 48 is divisible. Those two I have to leave. 19 minus 7. How many are there? 12. So what's the answer? C. Am I clear to all? This is CSAT 2020 question. Number 136 is added to 5B7. The sum obtained is 7A3. 7A3. Okay. Right. It is given that 7A3 is exactly divisible by 3. Okay. It is divisible by 3. Okay. The only possible value of B is. The only possible value of B is. Okay. Observe my the point, my dear personals. 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. Okay. 1 plus 5 is how much? But he said 7. Means from here you are getting 1 carry. Yes or no? Okay. 3 plus 1 is how much here? 4. Okay. 4 plus B should be 10 or more than 10? Less than 10 is not possible. If it is less than 10, no carry. So carry is mandatory. Means 4 plus B is more than 10. More than 10 means, okay, 4 plus B can be 10. 10 means it is 6. 11 means 7. 12 means 8. Okay, 13 means 9. No need to check the remaining because it will be 10. 10 means not a digit. These are the possible values of B. Okay. So now tell me here, okay, if 4 plus 10 means it is 11. 11 means it is 1, right? A value will be. Yes or no? Okay, 11 means, 10 means 0. 0 is one possibility. 11 means 1. Yes or no? In 11, 1 you will write here, 1 you will write here, right? Automatically A will be 1. Okay, 12 means 2. 19 means 13 means 3. It is exactly divisible by 3. So sum of digits, right? Already it is 3. Leave it. I already said 3 multiples, leave it, right? Okay, now to get 3 multiple, 7 plus 2 is the possibility. 7 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 3 is not possible, right? 2 is the only possibility. 2 means 1, 2, 3. Okay, means what is the value of B? Only possible value of B is how much? 8 is the answer. This is CSAT 2019. Got it? Can I go to the next one? Is it a complex question or a simple one only? Simple. Three persons start walking together and their steps measure 40 centimeter, 42, 45 centimeters respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete steps? The most important word is complete steps. Suppose I am the first person. What's my length of my foot? My step? 40. So 40. If I go with the 2 steps, 80. 3 steps. So the distance should be a multiple of 40. I am the second person. 42, 84 means 42 multiple. So multiple to 40, 42, 45 for all the 3 it is a common multiple. Yes or no? And he is asking about the least distance, minimum distance means LCM. Okay, what's the LCM of 40, 42, 45? That is what he is asking simply. Okay, 40, 42. 40 to 21, 21 means 21 into 3. Okay, 120 into 21. 21 2s are 42, 21 1s are 21, 2520. Okay, 25 meters, 20 centimeters. So which option is the answer? A is the answer. Am I clear, all of you? Are integral multiples of x. These two should be multiples of x. Yes or no? That means that, so suppose observe, okay, 20 is a multiple of 5. For 5, 20 is a multiple. For 25 is a factor. Yes or no? Okay. For x, this is an integral multiple, this is an integral multiple. Reverse. For this is a factor, for this also it is a factor, means x is a common factor for these two. Yes or no? Among the common factors, he is asking about the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor is nothing but highest common factor. Can I say the answer is HCF? Answer is HCF. For what? 3 1 by 2. Means can I write as 7 by 2? 8 3 by 4. 35 by 4. Okay. For these two, he is asking about the HCF. Okay. So I think whether you know or not. Okay. LCM of fractions is equals to LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. How do you memorize this? Okay, whatever he is asking, it's LCM and HCF, 2 things will be there now. If he is asking LCM for numerators, HCF for denominators. Suppose if he is asking about HCF, what should you do? HCF for the numerators and LCM for the denominators. So HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. He is asking about HCF. Okay, what should I do? HCF of numerators, 7 and 35. The HCF is 7. LCM of denominators, it is 4. 7 by 4 means 4 ones, 3 by 4. They are very lucky, the CSAT 2020 students. In the modern days also, he is asking direct HCF of the numbers. Okay? Right. This is the end of the paper, my dear boys and girls. Okay? Whatever we try, so I came to know that we can solve 2 papers only in a day. Right? So I thought today we can go for 3 papers. But fortunately or unfortunately, I have to give the basics of LCM, HCF, divisibility rules. I had to go with the basics of reminders. Automatically, time was killed. Time was killed. Okay, anyhow, hope you understand. Thank you. Okay, so as I said earlier, if you can, the return gift. Okay, inform your friends. What is the quality of reflection IAS? You understand, right? Inform to others. That is one point. Second one, if you feel that since the examination was postponed by almost how many days? 21 days, I think exactly. 21 days. Okay, you got some more time, right, to prepare. Okay, so if you feel that, sir, I want to be perfect in CSAT, I want to go for full course of CSAT. Okay, ask the management. Okay, so if students are interested, they can start the batch on April 2nd. Okay, so if you feel it is required, ask the management. Okay, so we will plan accordingly and we will take the CSAT full course. Okay, right. Any doubts, my dear boys and girls? Okay, good. Thank you. I'll meet in the next session. Up to that, Jai Hind.